Morning. Morning, everyone. How's it going? Happy Thursday. That looks better. Today, bro. Hi, man. Patelji, good morning. And bro, hi. Jason, Dr. Kumar. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. All right. What do we have here? Pushes up, two down. Just trying to decide if this is consolidation. Good morning, guys. Very good morning. Hold on. Let's get the news. Like yesterday, man. Bro, I just want to know. Yesterday morning, did we see any red follow news? Because I remember seeing just an orange follow news yesterday morning. And in evening, when I refreshed it, we got a red folder news. What was that? Am I imagining this or did this actually happen yesterday? Because I thought yesterday was no news day, but turned out we had news and I had to abandon my trade halfway, which went to full TP. Man, I was very, very disappointed. I don't know, bro. Can you guys go back in yesterday's morning video and figure out when we looked at the red folder? I mean, sorry, the news in the morning. Was there any red folder news? Because I wanted to do it, I completely forgot. I was pretty disappointed, bro. Is this been taken? Let me draw this line. No, that's been tapped. Was it? Give me one sec. Yeah, that's been tapped. That's ash zone right there. And now it's been taken. It's the first candle. So that's the first ash for you people. Two candles up, two candles down. That's beautiful ash right there. And if we're talking about the next stop and zone, it's to the left, right there. What's up with this? Um, inside center style. Sorry, need a middle line, background, orange. There you go. Multiple things here back to back. This is going to be a tricky thing. Guys, I'll come back. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Lizzie, hi. There's a red folder news at 40:30. Today? Oh, there was a red folder news. Oh, okay. I thought I was imagining stuff, man. I actually thought I was imagining stuff. That wasn't fun. Yesterday, man. Let's just draw this in black so that we don't forget it. And this is stop hunt, by the way. Okay. But these are the zones we have to be worried about for this morning. And the first zone has been breached. We'll wait for the next 5-minute candle to tell us what it wants to do. If we get a trade early in the morning, so be it. Because yesterday we waited almost 2.5 hours to get a trade. Today, man, I think we should get it within the first 15 minutes. Good morning, people. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Hi, brother. How are you? I'm doing good, man. How are you? David actually calls me boss. He says, "Good morning, boss." Good morning, bro. Yo, man. The first candle has been Beautiful candle right there. That was an ash zone, as you guys can see. That's ash. All right. We'll wait to see what this candle does. If that's the first trade, we'll take it. So as you guys can see, the first actual ash zone looks like this. Price falls down, two candles to the left when it went up. Again, fell down with more than two candles with a V-shaped form, right? That's beautiful ash right there. That's been tapped. So hence the first ash zone. And if we get a trade here, we'll take it 4 more minutes. That's it. We need confirmations here, baby. How many trades you took yesterday? Man, I'll show you. Give me 1 second. Let me, Zambro, let me finish this trade. I'll show you what happened yesterday. After the live session, I did get a trade. I did take it, and some of the people also took it. I was very happy about it. Uh, but I'll show you what happened yesterday, man. Give me 3 more minutes. We'll finish this trade. That's the first trade for today. So this first ash zone has been breached, and that's the second candle. If this candle closes as is, that'll be the first trade for this morning. Oh yeah. And it's actually kind of melting right now. I don't know what's happening. Um, 3 more minutes. I'm gonna lock in here, people. The zone has been already taken on my chart already. Please check. Bro, this is the future chart. I'm pretty sure that zone to the left has been breached for the first time because the line I drew, none of these candles went above. Look, I'll zoom that in. That was a tap, not a breach, and none of these candles made it up. For me, that's a breach. If you guys can see that, right? So I love it. I'll take it if one gives a trade, right? All right. I'm gonna lock in, people. Hold on for the next few minutes. Let me. So this is what you're talking about. That's the zone, right? In spot, it has already been breached, not in futures. So this is spot. Like you said, yes, it was already breached in spot, not the futures though. All right. So if I were to take a sell here, give me 1 second. 2 more minutes, people. Let's execute this one to the tick. Just to confirm, yes, sir. If candle closes as this, I'll be looking for a sell. Sorry, I'll be taking a sell. But let's see where this candle closes. So let's get the calculator out. Stop hunt. Raise the points. That's entry candle. Stop loss candle. So something like that will be the first trade. Okay. 1.5 minutes to go. Let's get this. Um, I have the body pain from the gym, which I love. All right, 0.11 lots as of now. Let's see. Actually, 1, 2 lots. 0.12 lots. Again, guys, we still have time here. Let's see. There's 38 seconds for this candle to close. Twenty-five seconds. 13 seconds. This looks. I mean, people, that's a sell right there. First trade of this morning has been taken. 27.05, 28.05. Yes. Was it on? Hold on. That's off. Thank God that was on. I was just checking the Traders Connect if that was on. $300 target. So that's entry. That's stop loss. And TP sits at a decent -3 right there. And we have liftoff. One second, guys. I'm also checking 323. If we get another one there, we'll take it. Right. So let me take this off. Stop loss sits right there. Entry sits here. TP is going to be sitting right there. All right. That's the first trade for this morning. Hold on. I'll come back to yesterday's trade and also I'll check if the 3-on-3, if it's valid, man, I'll take it. Right now, it's not exactly valid. I need a couple of things to happen with this 3-2-3. Let me see. If we get it, we'll take another trade. Well, that's not valid, man. So that's that. The first trade has been entered. I'm coming back to the comments. Dr. Kumar, yes, sir. I went to the chat box and I spoke with them. They said if your account is breached, you'll see that in your dashboard. And as far as I can see, it's not breached. That's what they told me. Since we closed it ASAP, like we understood the fact that we made a mistake and we closed the trade yesterday. So it should be fine. That's what they said. But even if it's not fine, I don't care. We were talking about it, me and my best friend yesterday. We were like, man, we've got through so much. Do you think one denied payout is going to change anything? That's what my best friend told me. And I was like, you're right, man. We've blown, we've blown more than bloody 25, 28 accounts in the last 3 years. We've got through so much to be sitting right where we are right now. And what is one denied payout going to do? Kill us? Man, we didn't know the rule. That was an honest mistake. We should have. We didn't. I thought taking hedges in the same account is an issue, but taking hedges with the accounts in your own name, if that's an issue, I didn't know about it. Yesterday we knew it. I'll never do it again. That's a valuable lesson. I'm glad that I made that mistake and learned what I should and shouldn't do with two accounts in the mix. Right now, guys, you guys know this, man. We only have two accounts here. So in the future, in the next year, I'll have at least 20 more accounts sitting right here. If I understood that rule after a year, man, that would be an issue that I cannot solve at that point because blowing 20 accounts together, that is something that I hope I wouldn't do. But for now, learning that right now, it's kind of the right time to do it. So, all right. So, yeah, someone asked me about yesterday's first trade. Let me take you guys, sorry, to yesterday's second trade. This is what happened yesterday. We took two stop losses, actually three during the day. Okay. And then this happened at 11:10 a.m., which is 3 hours after the live session. All right. This was the ash zone we were talking about during the live sessions. So, as you guys can see, price came down. So, this is what happened. Price went up, came down, two candles to the left, two candles to the right, making an ash zone right here. Okay. That zone was already talked about during the live session. What did price do? Price took the zone. That's my confirmation candle with both of my entry confirmations hitting. I entered it, stop loss above the breaking candle, 100 pips. And bro, this week is just glorious, man. I just love this week because listen, that was so close to TP, right? And then price pulls back, and I exited my trade right there. I had to do it because there was news. So right here, I think this candle. Yeah, remember this candle. So 1.14 was the exit yesterday. Soon after, price goes. There's a full TP. Man, I was not very thrilled about this because excuse me, when I saw it in the morning, I thought there was no red folder news, but it turned out there was a red folder news. And look at the news reaction right here. This candle, this 6 p.m. candle was news candle. Wow! Thank God I saw it in time. I got out of the trade 15 minutes. As usual, man, if there's any news coming out, 15 minutes earlier, I just get off. I don't like to be inside the market 15 minutes after. I mean, in the 30-minute window, 15-minute prior, 15-minute after. So that's the 13-minute window I'm very cautious about. So I got out right here. Price did what it did for the next 15 minutes and then dropped. And then did what it did and then eventually went to TP. Full TP, by the way. That's 1:3. That should have been bloody $600 yesterday, but I ended up with 300, which wasn't bad. Not a bad day. So yesterday, we ended yesterday with, so we had two stop losses, right? After everything, actually three stop losses with the 3 on 3 that I took. After everything, I ended the day up with $40 to close off the day. We're still very up in the month. So pretty decent day yesterday, man. We broke the curse of 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 stop losses with stop on a Nash, which is actually good. And right now, good start to the morning. Sorry, man. Let's go back. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, man. Yeah, I saw that trade. First trade, you took the first trade and then you slept, bro. Yeah, man. Are you in this trade yet? Was on a plane mode. Was on a plane, just landed. Service was bad. Wow. Trevor, bro, you're trading as soon as you land. Yeah, man, I took this trade. Sorry, I'm just looking at your message, bro. God. Yo, where are you traveling to, man? Good news. Dr. Kumar, thank you. Yes. Hopefully they don't deny the payout. If they do, they're not going to take the account. Even if they take the account, there are multiple accounts, man. Guys, I've gotten to a point where initially everything bothers me. For the first hour, man, if I make a mistake, I'm kicking myself. It's bothering me to an extent that I can't take it, right? And yesterday that happened live. You guys got to see that I was bothered, right, with the mistake that I did. But after an hour, man, I reset. I just like, sorry, Darwin, things happened. My best friend called me, Sherry called me, and it was like, yo, it happened, man. So what? I went through the Sherry actually went through the same thing. Yes, a couple of weeks back, he accidentally clicked something. He was in a long. He accidentally clicked sell. Immediately, he closes his trade, goes to Funding Pips and says, "Listen, this is what happened. Can you check my account?" So they manually checked both of his accounts. The guy in the chat, he goes, "No, sir, since it's an accident, it should be fine. I don't see any breaches as of yet. You should be good to go. But try not to do it next time." That's what he said. He told me that, and I was like, yeah, man, I understand. Thank you for saying that. It actually helps. So I texted them. I have screenshots of it. Uh, Good, man. So it's okay to be very disappointed, but it's not okay to ruin your whole day or your whole week or your freaking life for that matter. Um, that's how I deal with my things. Man, I love your positive attitude. God bless you always. Rajat, bro, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you for saying that, bro. Not end of the life. Exactly. Exactly, people. Still breathing, still alive, still ready to get at it with everything I got. Why not, right? So, 3 on 3s, be very careful. Yes, I don't have anything. Yeah, I'm just looking at Discord. I just got a message from Patelji, but Discord isn't loading for some reason. Use Yes, use different Proform accounts better. That's true, sir. I have to be looking at other prop firm accounts. Even my best friend was like, man, let's add different accounts to the mix too, so that if one person kicks us out, the other person would not kick us out for the same exact reason at the same exact minute. So, yes, moving forward, when I add the next account to the mix, I think it should be with a different account, but it's up to debate with me and my best friend. We'll come to a peace agreement and do it. We learn from experience to improve. Exactly. Patelji, yes. I think at max it will be marked as soft breach, which is allowed, I think. Yeah, bro. Hopefully it is. If not, even if it's not, let's let's let that dragon lie, right? So no 303 as of yet. I got in at the entry, had to wait for it to tap me in. But traveling back home from a job I had to do in Nebraska, up there, college, there was a concert we set up for. Trevor, man, yo, concert? What concert are we talking about, bro? Um, I like concerts. Been to a few, love it. Yo, I love the commitment, man. Excuse me. You're trading, and bro, be careful about funny pips, man. If you're traveling and trading, they have a CID breach. They have a rule, man. Also, be very careful when you're traveling and trading, my brother. I hope your account doesn't get breached because I'm looking at so many people's account getting breached with funny pips because of that rule. So they say you shouldn't log in. Excuse me. You shouldn't log in with some other IP address. If you're traveling, when you're traveling, I think if you're logging into you know Wi-Fi someplace else, that is trouble. Very good morning, bro. Brenda, bro. Yes, man, that's active, bro. If you see these things on the screen, that means that it's active, my boys and girls. Ash zone. Yes, that's an ash zone from yesterday. Look, that's the ash zone. I'll put this up. Ash. Oops. So came down, went up, and dropped like a brick. That's a proper ash zone. But it was breached before, Tokyo Open in spot market, but it got breached on the first candle in the futures market. That's why we entered this one. Let's see what it does. We're waiting for a verdict. Okay. Which platform are you using for funded account? I'm using Funny Pips, man. Good morning, Ravindra. Hi. Guys, the gym is going good. Update on it. Yesterday, I forgot to send an update on yesterday's workouts. Yesterday, we did shoulder. Man, I felt so powerless. Gym humbles you, man, to be honest, because just 8 months ago, I was pumping very, very decent weight, like very good weight, just 8 months ago. I took a break of 8 months after I moved to this new property. Man, yesterday I was doing shoulders, right? I think it's the second week in the gym. I couldn't lift 15 kgs over my head, like 15. That's it. I was just trying to do, initially, the first set was 10, 10 kilo dumbbells, trying to do shoulder press, right? Bro, the third set actually, I wanted to push a little bit. I took the 15 kilo dumbbells, nothing crazy, but 15 kilos. Was trying to pump it. I could do five, and I was like, I'm tapping out. I know it's been a while. I know I'm just getting back to it. I know it takes time, but if you stop practicing something with your life, even if it's just for 8 months, you're gonna go back to ground zero. Man, you're a zero just after 8 months. Before that, I used to pump bloody 30 kgs with my, shoulder press. Wasn't a big deal. Now I can't do 15, like 1.5. Man, you get humbled in the gym, bro. That's why I love gym a lot because no matter who the hell you are, bro, if you take a break, even if you're Arnold Schwarzenegger, bro, when you go in back in there, you're getting humbled after a break. Yeah, that was a good feeling to have yesterday. I was being told that, by my body that, man, no matter who you are, if you take a break from anything that you do, you're gonna start from scratch. So guys, never take a long break from anything that you do, especially when it comes to your body. Keep doing it every day, even if you're just going to the gym, chilling there for, a few minutes, doing the bare minimum and getting out of the gym. Do it. Don't take long breaks from the gym, guys. All right. It was a tour for boy from Oklahoma. Oh, bro, lovely business to be in, man. Concerts, music, man. I'm envious of you, bro. I trade on a live account, my brother. Oh, Trevor, man, if it's your live account, bro, don't care about anything, bro. You're fine. It's your own money. Who gives you rules, my brother? You're fine, bro. Hey, bro, good morning. There is a liquidity pending at 4630. I know you don't bother about these things, but if it goes to take the liquidity, it will hunt our stop loss. Uh, Vedika, yes, there is a liquidity pending on top of us. We will become liquidity too. But if it gets there and takes us out, we'll take another trade. That's it. That's the first trade that came through with our confluences. So we took it. So other liquidities, other setups, other zones, we'll care about it when price gets there, right? So if we're worried about another liquidity when we're inside a trade, we'll start to freak out. So the first rule of being in a trade is not to freak out, right? We're in it. Let's see what happens. We'll just chill. We'll have a good conversation, and hopefully it goes to TP. If it goes to stop loss, then we look for other trades. Remember, guys, 4 trades every day. It's fine. Upwards of 60 trades a month. Okay, one trade will not change the outcome of the whole month. Maybe 15, 20 trades will, right? So for us, all we care about is what's going to happen in 1 month. What's going to happen, most of all, what's going to happen in 3 months. That's the mindset, people. Come on, get to the mindset of, okay, this is what I tell myself when I'm inside a trade. Okay, this is the self-talk I'm talking about. So Arvind, yeah, you're in a trade. The hell with this trade. Whatever is going to happen. But what matters is this thing. The bottom line is what matters. At, at the end of the month, where is your account going to be? This is what I tell myself when I'm inside a trade, when I'm freaking out. Guys, listen, even I freak out sometimes. My brain, again, is not completely, in monk mode. No, I'm still I'm still a human, right? Sometimes I'm like, man, what is happening? We've already caught like 6 stop losses. What's going to happen today? I tell myself, listen, Arvind, it's not going to change the bottom line of this month. This month, we're so up there that even if we catch 10 more stop losses, we'll still be in the positive for the month I'm talking about. And imagine, if you're thinking about 3 months, that's what you should be looking at. So 3 month perspective, it doesn't matter. This trade is just a blip in the 3 months perspective because each month we're taking 60 trades. In 3 months, that's 180 trades, right? One out of 180, I can't even I can't even do the math in terms of percent. It's just a small fraction in that 180 trades, right? So yeah, when there is other zones, don't worry about it when you're inside a trade. If you're looking for a trade, yeah, you're looking for it. You're looking for all the zones. Okay, this zone, that zone, all that. But when the zone hits, when the confluence matches, when you're inside a trade, nothing, nothing else matters. For you, that's it. Your job is done. You've entered a trade. You've fixed the TP, your stop loss, your entry. Everything is set in stone. Right now, you're chilling. You're like, yeah, man, do whatever the hell you want to do. If you want to dance in my break even, if you want to go take my stop loss, if you're going to go dance right here and then come back, I don't care. That's the mindset, right? People always. Okay. It's 6 a.m. It's time for us to meditate. I'll go through the comments and then we'll start the meditation session. Let's go. I got this entry exactly, fingers crossed. Let's go. Nice. You are taking creatine? Rachitra, no. I'm not taking anything when it comes to external sources of protein. And I know creatine is not protein, but I'm just trying to say I'm not adding anything into my diet if it's not grown or if it's not shepherd. So chicken and other things right now is just eggs. These are the only two things. Yesterday had prawn and fish. Um, Nothing which is manufactured for now, at least. Creatine, I've heard of it. Very, very good for recovery and all that. My mom will kill me, man. I'm still living with my family. My complete family is right here with me. So if I get some kind of a powder inside my house, I'm getting either a knife that's flying my way or a slipper that's flying my way. So, guys, both of them are equally dangerous. And I'm not going to try to do that. So, it's completely going to be a, a body transformation in the next 3 years of natural stuff. Things that you can actually get into you know, a departmental store or a grocery store and get, right? So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm going to build a body which functions normally. Uh, yeah, man, that's what I want to say about it. Please, bro, please advertisement stop for live trading sessions. Take it, bro. That's with YouTube, man. And I have it in low mode, meaning you'll get one once in a while. Some people have it in high mode. Imagine you'll get one in every 3 minutes. Sorry, man. Trade reason is Ash, my brother, to the left. And yeah, if you go back to my channel, I have the Ash video for you guys. Trade. Yes, thank you, man. Rajat, bro, you got it, bro. I love you, man. Bro, you're so zen. I love it. Damien, thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Guys, a farmer has six packs, hardworking. This guy is trying that working artificial intake. Without artificial intake. Frankie, exactly, man. A farmer who works every day on the fields just eats normal food, right? But that dude is ripped, right? All right, guys, listen. Time to meditate. Let's go 5 minutes with me. If you want to do it, I'll be very happy if you do. All right. I love it, man. Guys, every day I feel like I'm getting good at controlling my brain, um, being patient and all that. I'm actually feeling very good mentally. So please start meditating if you haven't already. Um, Also, these are the rules when it comes to meditations. When you first, when you hear the first ting, which means the session has started, and then you'll start to hear ocean noises. If you don't like the ocean music, just put me in mute, all right? And keep an alarm for the next 5 minutes. And your job again is to focus on your breath. If your focus wavers, get it back to the breath. Again, it's going to waver multiple times during the session. Do not get frustrated. Okay. Be calm. Whenever it wavers, bring it back either to the music or to your breath. Okay. That's the whole point. And let's look at today's quote. Move at the pace of guidance. Parker J. Palmer. I didn't understand that, man. I'm going to be honest with you. What does it mean? Move at the pace of guidance. God, I couldn't get that. All right, let's get the session started. 5 minutes. Here goes. Sorry, guys, that's 313 alarm. So sorry to interrupt because we're not missing a trade here, man. Apologies. That's valid 313 people. We're a trader above everything, even if it's a meditation session. We can get back to meditation session, but not trades. All right, it's in the same direction, but I'm going to take this off. Um, today, today I think we're good when it comes to this trade. All right, that's valid 313 right there, people. Apologies for the intrusion. That's valid 313. Yes, sir. 10 seconds. Here's the points. Entry candle. That's going to be a very tight stop loss, right? If price comes there, I'm putting another push into the mix. 0.256. So 0.26 lots will be the entry. Because that's going to be a very tight sell, right? Hold on. So entry for this one. Again, guys, I only risk 0.2% on this trade because this strategy is has a low win rate. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, I mean, let's see if we survive this, right? 72. Yeah, I'm out. Quick stop loss was it. All right. I'll do push-ups after the meditation session. That was quick, man. It's very small stop loss, by the way. Yeah. So that's first. Yo, that's mean, bro. He just tapped me out of it, and now he's just popping down, bro. That's so freaking mean. Yeah, it is what it is. I'll come back to that trade. Don't worry. I'll tell you what happened. If you didn't take it, good for you. All right. Yeah, that was absolutely mean, guys. I mean, now he's falling back. Fine. It's okay. All right. All right. Sorry. Back to the session. That's the first 3-1-3 trade for today. Crap. Apologies. We'll do the next 3 minutes and 20 seconds. We'll continue the session. Again? Sorry, man. This is actually getting to my nerve. Guys, for God's sakes, that's another one right there. But I don't think it'll fit the bill. So the rules are we get one when we get stopped out. We want price to do that. I'm just miscalculating the rules, man. No, man, I'm not taking this because I need one more confidence to match. I don't think it'll match. Nope. God, 3 and 3 is very adamant in getting us out of our trance. I'm going back in. 2.5 minutes. Sorry. Again, trading is the first thing that we do. Meditation, yeah, man, I can pick it up anytime I want. So uh, our job is to, you know, give our attention to trading first, meditation in between when it allows us, right? So I checked it twice. Come on. Oh, wow. That would have been a good entry, man. I'll tell you what happened. Hold on. Guys, that's day number 4. We're going to take this to 50. That's the challenge. Let's see. Man, that would have been a glorious entry right there, bro. I got kissed. I got kissed by price, bro. Look, this is what happened. Look at that. That's what happened. That was supply. 603 was supply. We got kissed by death and then fell. That's just mean, boys and girls. That's just mean. Look at that tap right there. I got. It's okay. It's okay, guys. That was in spite of having the buffer. Okay, that 313 is not valid. So just take 1 313 per side. I have other confluences that I look for too, right? So yeah, man, it happened. I did take a stop loss there. Here's what it is. Holding up second. I'm holding up second entry, bro. You got it? Yo, that's fire, man. If you got it, if you weren't taken out, bro, that's freaking fire, man. What a trade that would have been. All right, guys. I did take a stop loss there, so rules are rules, people. Drop. Drop for 15. Hold on. 15 push-ups, remember? Let me stretch a bit so that I don't pull anything today in the gym. Ow. All right. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. Easy nowadays, man. All right. And I think I'm going to have a killer upper body, bro. 240 plus 15, 265. God, the amount of push-ups I've been doing lately, a killer upper body. 265. To an extent wherein, guys, have you seen the cartoon? I think his name is Johnny. I'll show you. So Johnny will have a big upper body but very lean legs, wearing black and yellow. Do you remember him? All right, I'm going back in the comments. I know Sherry Bro took the gist of it. Hey man, what's going on? Okay, I saw that. Paul Bro is asking, so your mother still throws slippers at you? Lol. I love your mother. That's how to be strict. Yeah, man, my mother is very strict, bro. Not to an extent wherein she still, throws slippers at me, but very strict parents, bro. I'm new to your channel. Where do you live, bro? Hi, welcome. I live in Chennai. I'm from South India. I live in Chennai. Yeah, I'm still out of breath. So meditation and push-ups actually feels good together, to be honest. Hey man, I'm feeling like 6:30 will get us to TP. It's about time it gives us a TP because it took us out, I think, for a couple of trades last week. I mean, this week. By the way, still in 3 on 3. Yo, Sherry, bro. That's fire, man. I miscalculated my SL was 10 pips above, not taken out as of yet. You guys are good. You guys are good. Man, if it melts from here towards the downside throughout the session, you guys are gonna bank big on that. Um, Johnny Bravo, there we go. You guys know this. Listen, this is Johnny Bravo. Uh, sorry, J-O-H-N. You, you guys know, right? Listen, this is how I'm gonna look like. You know, big upper body because of all the push-ups. And look at this. Look at his lower body, man. Bro, I love this guy, bro. I used to watch him a lot when I was a kid. Hilarious stuff right there, boys. I am a 90s kid, by the way. Look at him, bro. Huge upper body muscles, but nothing down there when it comes to leg muscles. Look, hilarious, man. Price is responding to another ash zone. Raymond, bro, we'll let it respond, my brother. Johnny Sins? Wrong chat, my brother. Wrong chat. Yeah. Which funded platforms are you using for that account? He was a flirt, Johnny. Diksha, listen, I don't remember the exact cartoon, what he did and what was on the cartoon. But I just remember the fact that he was jacked in the upper body and not in his lower body. Man, I don't still remember what were the concept of the cartoon itself. I'm using funny pips, bro, by the way. 6:30 to come. Yeah, boys and girls. KJ, what's up, bro? What help do you need, man? What can I do for you? Sherry, bro. Oh, of course, man. As far as you're not asking USD, 100%. Yeah, bro. We can help you out. Yes, we're halfway in the trade, almost halfway. 6:30 is 10 minutes away. I'm not sure what's going to happen. We should get this. But let's see, man. Let's see. Okay. MetaTrader terminal is not updating live for me. get some help. Is it something on? Oh, okay, that's a valid question. Guys, if you're using MetaTrader, can you help KJ out and answer that question? Is it working for you guys or is it under maintenance? He's just trying to understand if it's a problem with his app or his internet or whatever, right? Help him out, guys. Can you help me with the funder prop from name? Yes, bro. Yo, I'm using funding pips, my brother. Funding pips. Yes, thank you, Rajat, bro. You're awesome, man. Thank you, bro. I use Amplify, it's working fine. See, KJ, bro, it's actually working fine, man. I think even I use Amplify. Let me check if it's working. But it's pretty much logged in, and that's the trade that's live running, and it is actually working, bro. No worries, man. Not here. So I'll work hard for it, not beg to YouTubers like other people, Lord. KJ, respect, my brother. Work hard, my brother. You got it, bro. You'll get it easily, man. USD, earning USD nowadays, guys, if you have the patience and the skill and the discipline to do it, man, earning USD nowadays with trading is it's kind of not as bad as how it used to be like 15, 20 years ago. You got this, guys. Man, the stop loss for that trade was so small. I was actually salivating by the thought of, hitting an entry and then dropping like this. By now, what's the RR now for you guys? So let's check it when this TP gets hit. I want to check it, man. I want to see what's the RR. That'd be that'd be glorious, bro. I'm using Unify with XM and Funny Pips. Both are working totally fine. Rajat, bro, thank you, man. Thank you for that input. If this trade is in profit, close it and open again at 6:30. Nah, tech zone, bro. I'm not scared of anything, man. Maybe just goes, maybe. But when it comes to 6:30, bro, it doesn't bother me, man. I'm like, it's not gonna kill me. There's another 7 minutes. Nah, bro, I'm inside a trade. 6:30 is not right for news, so I don't care about 6:30s. We let it be. We let this trade do whatever it wants to. Bro, if this wants to go back, take my stop loss in this second, I'll let it. I'll be like, yeah, okay, fine. Where do I take the next entry? That's what I'm thinking about. Yeah, you took me out. Okay, fine. Perfect. Good for you. Now, where's my next entry coming from? What's the next thing I should be looking out for? That's the thought process, brother. I don't know, but the term is not working live for me. My internet is super fine and working. I tried clearing cache and data, not properly. KJ, try uninstalling the app, man. Just take the whole thing off from the roots, install it again, maybe sign in again, see what happens. Sherry, bro, you're awesome, man. Do not lose your money. Man, it's all fake money, by the way. It's all fake, bro. The accounts that we got, this is just fake money until and unless it hits your bank account, bro. It's just demo accounts and fake money out there, man. So I'm just, I'm totally fine with it. Bro, can I hold this? It's L, sorry, that's 3 on 3. Can I hold this? Oh, that's a smart question, bro. He says, can I hold this? Because this is also a trade and 3 on 3 is also a trade, right? Bro, that's sneaky, bro. That's actually a valid question right there, boys and girls. Let me think about this, man. TN Tamar, bro. That's actually a genius question. Yo, you're putting in thoughts into my brain, bro. No, man, I can't hold it for me, but it's up to you. Guys, I have rules. For a second there, I completely forgot all my rules and my principles, bro. Thank God. But it's actually valid, though. You're already inside a trade. Why not hold it? That's what he's asking. Because for me, bro, I got taken out because I had the stop loss as usual. There was a buffer on top of the stop loss. Unfortunately, I got tapped out, so I cannot hold it. My rules won't let it. Guys, this is what everything boils down to. Guys, at the end of the day, if you break even one single rule of yours, when it comes to life, when it comes to trading, when it comes to gym, whatever, if you have a rule, you have that rule for a reason, right? For me, I have a rule that if I'm out, I don't care about the trade. That trade is done, right? So if I let this trade run, I'm breaking two rules. One is I'm going after that 3 on 3 for the rest of the session. That's rule number one. Rule number two is I'm supposed to book a 1:3 with this strategy, and that's it. I don't hope for more, I don't hope for less, right? So I'll be breaking two rules if I just let this run. So for that reason, I'm out. I'm talking like shark tanks now. For that reason, I'm out. Is this your full-time job, bro? I mean trading. Yeah, man. SP. I'll call you SP, bro. Yes, bro. Full-time job is trading. And yeah, something that I love to do. Something I think I'll do for the rest of my life. I'm pretty sure I'll do this. Thank you, bro, Sherry. Bro, today I go with very small quantity and I booked only 30 at USD today. I go with only one entry. Normally I go with four different entries to book profit between my trades. Love you, bro. Today, bro, you're getting better, man. You're getting better. Lovely. Thank you for that update, bro. Um, Progress doesn't happen in one day, my brother. Just understand that. You're going to keep working on it. Next time, you told me you're not going to take more than four trades. I'm going to keep you accountable on that. Okay. Next time, bro, when you're thinking about that fifth trade, try and having that conversation with me. Try explain that fifth trade to me first. Imagine in your imagination, I'm saying. Because if we can't keep ourselves accountable, get someone else to keep us accountable for us, right? Have a friend, have a mentor, have a colleague, have a family member, have someone. I have my best friend who keeps me accountable. I keep him accountable. Now I have 174 of you guys to keep me accountable. So I have so many things that work so well together, guys. 1.5 minutes for 6:30. If this reverses like Monday, man, that'll be so fun to watch, man. I love trading for this reason, boys and girls. I don't have so much energy this morning. I love it. You're talking like Barbara. Yeah, bro. Sometimes I watch Shark Tanks because for me, in my core, I'm an entrepreneur. I like to understand business. I like to be a business. I think I'm a businessman even now, doing trading and all. It is considered a business, so I like Shark Tank. Is it only Asian session? Yes, I only take Asian trades. I don't take any trades in any other session. It's purely Asian session trades. Yes, like Sherry Bro said. Bro, my web terminal is not working, but my mobile app is working for me. Perfect, man. Maybe, I don't know what the glitch is. If your mobile is working, it's more than enough for you to trade, right? So that should be good, bro. Guys, you guys ready? 15 seconds. 15 seconds. It's either TP or stop loss right here. Okay. It should be TP. Hopefully it is. If not, that'll be fun. Four, three, two, one, fire. What's happening? Is it a dud? Is it a dud? Come on, buddy. Give it to me. I like the initial move. No. No, man. Usually, bro, 6:30 is wild, man. What's happening today? It it kind of is normal. Did it freeze? Yeah, it froze. It's trying to decide what it wants to do. I think it'll try to go towards a break-even point. Hold on. Hold on. Trying to decide still. Maybe not. Bro, that's working normally, bro. What happened to 6:30? I think it's drunk. 15-second lag, yeah? Wow, 15 seconds is a long time to get lagged. Bro, I'm 31, man. I'm 31 years old. Medvedev, I didn't see that, bro. Bye मेरा साथ 43 बच गया है 50 लॉस क्या रिकवर हो जाता है. Yeah, Sherry got you for that answer. I'm out with 250. Congrats, man. Congrats on that. Bro, I'm not taking anything less than 300 on this trade. Actually, 600 if both of my accounts go to TP. Really? I'm 20. Wow. You're 20? Congrats, man. You're way early into trading, bro. Man, this 630 is a dud, bro. It didn't work as usual. Usually 630 pushes like there's no tomorrow, bro. This thing is not pushing like usual. Not everyone look at yourself. Sorry, bro, you always give confidence to everyone. Looking at yourself every new day, you give new energy to yourself and as well as others. One more thing you're best at. Thank you, bro. Sudhir, man, you're being too kind, my brother. You guys make me better, man. Always. Your chart lagging? Um, Dr. Kumar, I don't think so, man. It's just a 630, which is not being usual. I can see actually the chart moving. I know there is almost, yeah, 15-second lag on the stream itself. That's with YouTube. I don't think that's with my chart people. You look more younger than your age, my brother. Thank you, man. I'll take that as a compliment. I heard I work very hard at the gym. At least I try to. Chat is good, sir. No issues. Thank you, Patel ji. Yeah, man. Even my second screen that I have, it's actually working not bad. Kalai vanakkam, brother. Yo, morning, bro. Welcome, man. Uh, my brother said good morning in Tamil. They might be sleeping, sir. Yo, now it's starting to do its thing. It's going towards our stop loss. That's the usual people. Yeah, I think this happened Monday. It was so close to TP, and then 6:30 happened and just pushed towards the opposite end. I don't know, man. I'm gonna let whatever happens happen. Yo, we are 4 subs away from 2,900 subs. Thank you, everyone, and also thank you, everyone, for thank you for 52 likes. Appreciate it. Means a lot. Let's keep going. What is the 6:30 candle? 6:30 is the first 4-hour candle of the Tokyo session. That is what 6:30 is. Usually, it brings a lot of volatility to it. It brings a lot of volatility to it. A lot of movements. Great day. Let's go. It just started for me, my brother. 15 push-ups done. Hoping for sit-ups today, man. Come on, bro. Decide. If you want to take me, take me. Yo, he tapped that gap on point. So people will think it's gonna go up. That's why it's pushing. Maybe it'll just reverse, or maybe it won't. Let's see. Again, at the same place where you give us 3-on-3 trade. Yeah, man, that's done, bro. That trade for me is done. For me, right now, I'm looking at other trades. If it comes through, I'll take it. Other 3-on-3s, right? Right now, I don't have any 3-on-3s that I'm actually looking at it. No 3-on-3s yet. I will get the alert. Bro, did you watch the movie Toxic? Bro, even the name doesn't suit my character for some reason. What's with the movie, bro? Was it good, bro? The movie Toxic? Me, close trade, good profit, thanks. Yo, it's awesome, bro. Congrats, man. Why don't you book partials? Yo, for me, bro, my strategy has on an average month, sorry, on average, every month is has a 40% win rate. Okay, 40%. That's average. Usually, let's talk about 6 months, maybe 40% win rate I got. If I take partials, right? If I don't take full one is to threes, the math will not work. All right. If I don't take the full one is to three that I'm taking as usual, so 40% win rate with a one is to three, I'll be very profitable. But if I start taking partials, my risk to reward will be one is to two or one is to 1.5 or something like that, right? So with the 40% win rate, that's not going to work well as it would with a one is to three. So that's the reason why I don't take partials, guys. For me, I'm a simple guy with simple math. With a 40% win rate, even if you have a 1 is to 3, you're wildly successful. Even with a 90% win rate, if you have a 0.05 risk to reward, I think it's going to be hard for you to cope, right? So, because of that reason, no partials, no break evens, nothing. It's either give me my 1 is to 3, or you can take my $100 sell. That's fine with it, right? That's how I work. Toxic, it toxic is very toxic. Moody. Yo, I don't like those things, man. For me, a movie should be fun. A movie should be have a lot of action, romance, comedy, everything together. Something like that. I like it, bro. Nothing like toxic, bad character in the movie. Something like that. The story is not for everyone. Yeah, man. I don't think. Yo, that's 3 on 3, man. That's 3 on 3. If it's valid, I'll take off both my trades. I won't do the same mistake as yesterday, boys. This is in the opposite direction, by the way. I will exit every trade I got. I'll enter in the opposite direction if I get a valid 3 on 3. Okay. If right now we have 40 seconds for us to decide if it's going to be valid. If it is, I'll exit everything that I got. All right. That's the usual because yesterday's mistake will not and should not happen. All right. Right now it's 3-1-2. If this becomes green, then we're talking about 3-1-3. Okay. If that's the case, I'll pop off. Right now, I'm waiting for this candle to close and give us the confirmation. I don't think that'll give us a valid 3-1-3 entry because of this. Now it's pushing downwards, right? So 3-2-1. Nope, that's not valid. So still in the trade. Don't worry, I'm still in it. I like that wick, by the way. Let's see, let's see. Still waiting, guys. Oh, hyped as per review, toxic, not good. Patel ji, I'll never watch that movie, man. Just the title of the movie just puts me off completely. Bro, it's not something that I would enjoy, like Toxic. Full marathon is gonna happen Jan in Chennai 2027, bro. Wanna run, bro? Yo, Jared, bro, how long is it? Jan 2027? For sure, man. I'd love to, bro. How long is the marathon, man? Maybe what? Full half a marathon is 7 kilometers, full is 14, or is it 21? And guys, Dravid, by the way, is my brother, the one I started the channel with. So that's a heads up. I know him, he knows me very well. He's in it now also, downtrade. Sorry? What do you mean downtrade? He's it now. Also downtrade? I don't understand that, bro. Um, nope. I still have the trades open. I'll only exit if I have a 3 on 3 to the opposite side. Still have it, boys. Man, this week is just us getting teased, man. Like yesterday, we got teased right here. Today we got teased almost to 1 is to 2.5, and then now reversing. Man, this week has been pretty mean, but I don't mind. Teased, getting teased. 6:30, bro. You and I have unfinished business. A lot of unfinished business. I'm gonna check the Chennai Marathon, bro. I'd love to decide what to do. Chennai Marathon 2026. Uh, Length, distance. Yo, full marathon is 42 kilometers, bro. Yo, that's hardcore, man. Bro, that's freaking hardcore, man. Half a marathon is 21. That's what I was thinking. I thought that was full marathon length, but 42? Yo, I have to think about this because, listen, I want to put on a lot of muscle. Yo, I thought half a marathon was 7 and full was 21, something like that. But I didn't know, bro. I'm actually surprised right now. Can we make Ash Zone 1 is 2 and then stop on 1 is to 3 target? I just want to think about. Patelji, valid question. I'll leave it up to you guys. If you guys want to change this to a 1 is to 2 for Ash and 1 is to 3, keep 1 is to 3 for stop ons, you can go ahead and tell me the results after a month, maybe. Or just note down what happened with these trades if it majority went to 1 is to 2, because I'm done backtesting with the strategies. I feel like I'm getting old for backtesting. I shouldn't be saying that, but still. Try it out. Patelji, you can go ahead and try it out. If you feel like it, definitely, and let me know what happened in terms of the results. I'd definitely like to know. And if that works, we'll think about it, right? I like I like to learn, I like to experiment. Let's see what happens. Case are done. Can we re-enter? Man, it's completely up to you, bro. But I would not suggest, because if you re-enter and if you take in the stop loss right here, you'll feel like the world is gonna end. But for me, I don't care, man. Good morning, bro. What happened, bro? I asked for that juice. What juice? Yes, you shall. The ESL and TP remains the same. Yes, it's up to you, people. We're still dancing almost at break even. Let's see. Guys, I don't think I'll be running a 42-kilometer run, man, because that takes a lot of prep. And for me, I'm actually trying to put on a lot of muscle. He'll eat my muscle, bro. Completely done. I'll go back to being a 62 kg guy after that marathon. 42 kilometers in a day, and also prepping that for 3 months. That's gonna eat a lot of my muscles, man. So I don't think I'll do it, bro. Maybe there'll come a point wherein I need that, you know, discipline. When I want to punish myself, I'll do it. 3 on 3, 3 on 3. Hold on. Let me check. Yes. If that becomes green. Still waiting for it. Let's see. Tell me learning roadmap. Learning roadmap, bro, is simple, man. Start trading in your. Wait. Let me formulate this in my mind. Okay. Start learning what is candlesticks, what is stop loss, take profit, how to take trades, how to look at trades first, and then look for a strategy that you want to replicate. It can be a mentor, it can be something from GPT, anything. Okay. Test it in a demo account. Get a demo account with TradingView. They'll give you a demo account that you can trade fake money in. Um, Trade that strategy, try getting better at it, make a profit out of it. Then once you're good with this, only risk 0.2% per trade. Do that, get to a $5,000 account, which is understand what prop firms are, get a $5,000 account, okay? $5,000 one step flux account. That'll give you more room to play, much better to actually trade that with the rules. That 3 on 3 did not happen, guys, by the way. And then what? Take a take a payout, buy more accounts with that payout, and just keep going. That's the roadmap to trading in a nutshell. If you guys want to do it, all the best. It's going to take 3 years. Okay. Keep that in mind. If you're okay with it, then start. If not, just trading is not for you because it's going to take a lot of time. When we guys invest that amount of time, then and only then you can make it in trading. All right. Bro, I'm a trader with fewer than 1 year experience. My setup based on order flow, but watching you for a month, I wanted to add Ash to my setup. Last night went there, your channel looking for Ash videos. Dilshan, bro, that's awesome, man. Thank you, man. Ash, guys, it's a very, very good strategy because it's been the last month, boys and girls, been very sweet with all these TPs. But get this, you will have rough patches. July, we had a rough patch of 10 trades back to back. This month, I've got another rough patch almost around the same area with again 8 stop losses. So, no strategy is foolproof. When you understand that, you can go ahead and add Ash. And also, not 100% of the strategy is out there. I'm still holding on to the entry confluences. Full disclosure, as usual, right? So, hold it. I am holding it. Let's go. Man, what what a push downwards, man. More Ash videos, bro. Just go to strategy, man. Go to the playlist session of my YouTube channel. Go to for Ash videos, I just have one, bro. Maybe maybe in the future, like in the coming months, I'll add more videos on Ash. Right now, I just have one Ash video, bro. That's it. There's more coming. Don't worry. I'll have a separate playlist for Ash. I'll put those into that separate playlist. Darshan, bro, stay tuned, brother. Hold the trade. TP is 4595. Let's go. Re-entry, sir. Guys, it's up to you, man. I'm in this trade. Come hell or high water. 2,900 subs. Let's go. Jason, thank you. I did not even look at it, bro. Thank you, guys. We got 2,900 subs. We're so close to 3,000. We'll hit it in the next week or this week for that matter. Congrats, everyone. Thank you for the support. We've got 64 likes for the stream. Lovely. We've got 2,900 subs. Man, in 3 months, we've come from 74 subs to almost 3,000 subs. That's growth. Thanks to you people. Thank you for the support. You guys means a lot. Appreciate it. Do you think December market will be dead? Why? Bro, Sherry, they have a myth that during December's market doesn't move as it usually does. So it's a myth, right? Man, I've traded December before. I don't think it's true, man. Sometimes, bro, some months are bad, some months are good. I actually don't I actually don't think December will be dead, man. I'll trade December. I'll trade every month, bro. If I'm not taking a vacation, a long vacation, man, I'll definitely trade anything and everything, man. I'm in long. My TP 4632. Dilip, bro, all the best, man. I hope you get your TP, brother. Bro, I appreciate your dedication and work for others. May the blessing of God be always with you. Thank you, bro. Means a lot, man. Thank you so much. Wow, bro. These things that you guys say, just I- I'm so happy, man. Thank you, bro. Yeah, volume less. Yeah, man. I'll send the registration link for the bro. I don't think you saw it, bro. My brother. I'm not gonna do it, man, because I'm back to the gym. I want muscles, bro. I'm very focused on it. Running a 42-kilometer marathon takes a lot of practice as well as a lot of muscle losing. I'm not going to do it, man, because I'm working towards a goal in terms of my physique. Not this time, my brother. Maybe next time we'll do it. This time I'll cheer you on, my brother. Yo, I'm going to lose a lot of muscle, by the way. Right now, I'm going at gym very hard. I'm taking it head on, man. So, David, bro, all the best, my brother. Next time, maybe. Have you passed the evaluation stage? Yeah, bro, I have 25K master account right now in the positive, as well as a 50K instant account, which is almost at break even. Yeah, man, we passed the account. Yay! I'll have that video tomorrow, maybe today. I think today we'll have that video of me passing my account and the trade that helped me a lot. Because I heard in December mostly money flow is less due to Christmas and New Year's. Bro, it's a myth, man. Yes, there's less money coming in and out because of the fact that people take long vacations during December, from 20th to the 15th of Jan, something like that. But man, I don't care, bro. If I'm home, if I'm not taking a vacation, bro, I'll trade December, man. Your playlist bit cluster hard to find. I subscribe from wife's phone too. Tension, bro. Yo, it's under the playlist section in Discord, bro. Sorry, in YouTube, man. I hope you get it. Bro, I want to see you like Arnold future with huge muscle. Bro, Nav, man, I'm not too thrilled about that, but I don't want to be that dude that's walking around jacked like that. Bro, I want a proper physique which feels good, not just show off physique, which you know is from steroids or powder or whatnot. I want to feel good. I want to feel powerful. I want to be athletic at the end of the day. Not too huge, man. Yeah, I don't want to walk like that, like a chicken that's trying to, you know, walk. Also, regarding the news, you can use Funding Pips itself to see all the restricted news. Yeah, man. Dominic, thank you, bro. Bro, for short, can you please share the entry point? Bro, it's right here on the screen, man. What do you mean share the entry point? Look, come on, guys. Pay attention, people. It's right there on the screen. I'm running out of fuel. Hey, brother, when are you coming to Gujarat? Soon, my brother, soon. I'll come to Gujarat, man. I'll definitely let you know, man. I have a few people to meet in Gujarat. Uh, we have a few people. I'm not going to name them, but I don't want to give their locations out. But excited for tomorrow's stories, bro. Can't wait. Yo, you know, Dravid is here, man. That's his story, by the way. Dravid Veeran is. I told you guys, he's the one I started this channel with. That's his story. He can authenticate the image of that ghost because he got the experience. Thanks, bro. I saw that on the screen. Yeah, man. It's right here, bro. Any entries I take is right there on the screen. So I put in Discord motivation, please check. Patelji, I'll do it for you, man. Anytime. Oh, yeah, I saw this early in the morning, bro. Randomly. This is the first thing. Yo, I saw this in the morning. Patel, bro, you will not believe this. Same exact thing. The first thing I did, usually I don't do this, I don't take my phone into the restroom. I took it, I opened Insta, I opened Insta, and that's the first thing I saw. And I was like, Spooky, bro. At the end, the dude talking with his light on, that was so spooky, bro. Patel, bro. Yo, you guys have to take a look at that, man. So there is this race, this marathon they do, right? So it's between people. So it's not a fixed amount of kilometers they run. So there is 188 people or something like that in the marathon. It's a circuit. It's a loop. Okay, I think it's a 3 or 4 kilometer, whatever the loop is, how big the loop is. So you have to keep running. You'll only win when nobody else is standing. Okay, no one else is standing. So it's unlimited kilometers. Who knows how long this thing will go for? That race that Patel Bro sent in Discord went to went for 93 hours. This one dude at the end, man, he was like, I did not come here for the 188 souls. I came for 189, if you know what I mean. And he just kept running for 196 hours, man. Dude, the other dude just fell without, just fell down. They have that aerial shot of him falling down, couldn't move a muscle. He was the dude that came second after running for 96 hours straight. Man, bro, do that and win a race like that. That is the ultimate test of your being, bro. That dude was insane, man. That guy who won the race, bro, the mental fortitude, man, I couldn't do it, bro. Listen, guys, I'll tell you the story of my on and only marathon that I ran for 10 kilometers. Okay, this is in Canada. I was back in my college days. Okay, I'll tell you the story. Hold on. This is back in my marketing and finance days. I was actually going to doing a PG while I was doing um, marketing and finance. That's my degree that I was doing. This is Canada. This is 2019. Yes, 2019 beginning. Um, no. Hold on, hold on. Let me get this right. I still have the photos for it to show the dates and stuff. 2018 end, I think October at that point. Okay, it was a charity run. The point was to run 10 kilometers. Okay. Uh, Again, I paid $100 for it. You don't have to pay anything, but you're donating to a charity. So I went on stage to my complete classroom. Okay, went on stage. I told about this marathon to everyone, and I was like, guys, this is a charity run. This is for cancer. Uh, it's called Terry Fox Run. I hope I got that name right. Terry Fox. Yes, Terry Fox Run 2026. Is this guy who had cancer? He got one of his legs removed. He ran, I think, for how many? What's the distance he ran? For awareness, bro, he ran, I think, upwards of 1,000 kilometers or something. Um, Let me get this right. So that's the usual distance, but how much distance did he run? Hold on. Yes, look at that. This dude ran 5,373 kilometers over a span of 143 days to create awareness for cancer. Okay? Before cancer forced him to stop. That him right there, a legend, absolute legend with one leg. Man, look at that. This dude is just fire, man. He inspired me a lot back in my college days. So I went for that charity run, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. It was just a 10K run. That guy with cancer ran for bloody almost 6,000 kilometers for 143 days across Canada. Okay, across Canada. An absolute story. So I go up on the stage, I tell the story to my class. I listen, guys, I played a 1 minute video. I got the permission from my professor. I go, listen, I'm going to inspire these guys. I'm going to take them with me for the run. I'm going to let them donate money to the Cancer Institute that they have under his name. That's what he was actually running for. And I actually did the whole peel, went home, and I was like getting ready for the marathon, right? I was actually biking a lot back then. I was doing Uber Eats on my bike. So it's like food delivery on your cycle. I was doing back then. I was pretty fit. I could bike 50 kilometers a day. Easy, man. I was doing that job for like 10, 12 hours a day. So pretty fit, right? At the day of the marathon, I overslept. So I was supposed to be at the pier at 9 a.m. I overslept. It takes me an hour from my place to get to that marathon place, right? I woke up at 7:35. I should have been up at 7 or 6:30 to get ready and all that. I actually woke up at I think 7:45 or 7:50. I just have an hour. I have to freshen up. I have to take bath, brush up, eat something and then run. Bro, I thought of quitting it. After telling all my friends, all my colleagues, sorry, not colleagues, but classmates that I'm going to do it for charity, I overslept. My brain goes, the first thing in the morning, my brain goes, Arvind, you overslept. Let's just let it go. It's fine if you miss it, man. Who's going to know? It's trying to talk me out of it. And it's saying, bro, it's 1 hour away. It's already almost 8 o'clock. It starts at 9. You're going to either way miss it. Why do you want to go through the whole process? And I'm not sure if you can run 10 kilometers. You've never done this in your life. Bro, it starts as normal thing, bro. It's starting to, talk me out of it. Now I'm like, yeah, let's see. I just go to the restroom quickly. 5 minutes, man. Take a quick shower, brush up, and I'm like, the hell with it. I'm gonna run. Even if I'm late by an hour, I'm gonna see where 10 kilometer ends. I'm just gonna run. I don't care if they start and end. Who cares? Just get there. Man, you wouldn't believe this, guys. The best experience I had in my entire life was that experience because the place I chose for that run was in an island. So Toronto has an island uh, near the airport. Okay, so they have two airports. One is the main airport, the international airport. They have a Billy Bishop Airport, which is situated near an island, and I you have to take a ferry to go to that island from Toronto's edge. It's still in Toronto, but you have to take a ferry. Took the ferry. Man, again, it's morning. It's 8:30, 9 o'clock around that time, right? So it's beautiful. The sunrise, absolutely glorious. Take that ride, get there. When I get there, they're gonna start. They haven't started it. It was 9:30. I was half an hour late, which I hate doing. I get there, and they're gonna start it. I still have a backpack on. Okay, imagine, I have a backpack on. I have a couple of bananas in there. My power bank, which I don't have any charge in my phone. I have a bottle of water, 1 liter of bottle of water inside my backpack. And I get there. They're announcing the start. They're like, "All right, guys, we're gonna start it now. Let's go." As soon as I get there, they started the race. I didn't have time to think. Right now, I'm having my backpack on. I didn't know where to keep my backpack because I have my phone, everything else in my backpack with my wallet. Okay, I didn't want to keep my bag and then run for 10 kilometers without anyone to watch over it, right? So I started running with my backpack on. Guys, first kilometer in, my brain is going haywire, man. First kilometer in, my brain is like, Arvind, you gotta stop, man. Imagine. Listen, I'm running in an island, right? It's beautiful. I could see, it's a lake. It's not a sea, it's a lake. Dude, I could see the water, complete horizon. I could see it's so beautiful. And I saw a tree to my right, a beautiful big tree to my right. My brain goes, Arvind, look at that tree. Man, that tree looks so good. Why don't we just go there, lay back, and then chill for the next hour? It looks so beautiful. The view, unmatched. My brain is telling me to quit. Like I'm not even in a kilometer. Okay, it's a 10-kilometer run, mind you, and my brain goes, Arvind, just chill, man. That looks so cozy. Look at that view, bro. Beautiful, isn't it? Yo, and I'm like, no, yeah, it looks beautiful, but I gotta keep running. I keep running, and the shoes that I got was brand new, and my lace is getting untied every 100 meters. Every 100 meters, it's brand new shoe. I haven't practiced for this. That's a brand new shoe that I, opened up that morning. It's getting untied every 100 meters. I'm getting down, tying it up, again getting up, running, tying down. Bro, it was a disaster. Every step of the way, my brain was, I don't quit. That was the dialogue that happened throughout 10 kilometers. Okay. And also, I have this backpack on, right? It's heavy with the water bottle, with the bananas, with my stuff in my backpack. I'm dragging this throughout the race. Man, it was a story to tell because after the 7 kilometer mark, when my brain knew that I wasn't going to quit, it started getting silent after that 7 kilometer mark. because I knew the end was coming in 3 kilometers, and I've got through 7 kilometers. The majority of the race was done. Guys, you'll only understand this if you've ran that long, or if you've done something, an endurance stuff, which, went on for too long, but you're getting close to that end, right? The reason for the story is this. So when you start doing something very tough, your brain will tell you that you should quit. You're not used to it. Your muscles are aching. Your brain is new to this. It's saying, Arvind, you've never done this in your life. Don't do it. Trading is new. You're losing money. Don't do it. Gymming, yo, it's painful. You're getting to it. Don't do it. Your brain is designed to keep you safe. Okay. It has been primed for thousands and thousands and hundreds of thousands of years to get to where we are right now, to keep you safe, to keep you comfortable. Keeping us safe was a time, right? So when we were, in a place where we had saber-tooth tigers, 10 feet, 12 feet bears walking around, we were living in caves, then safety was an issue. But now comfort is an issue. Your brain, it says, this is not comfortable. You know, this is not easy. You have the backpack on, your shoes are getting untied. It's very hard. Quit. This dialogue goes on with everything that you try new in your life. Anything that you try new, your brain is going to tell you to quit. Trading is very, very tough, right? Initially, very, very tough. You're getting into trading, you're losing money left, right, and center, right? Your brain is like, oh my God, I'm losing money. I'm losing my savings. My family is going to tell this. The other people are going to tell this. I'm taking a stop loss here. Oh my God, 165 people are watching. What are they going to tell me? It's saying all this. Its job is to keep you safe, keep you comfortable. But when I got to that 7 kilometer mark, guys, I'm going to tell you, the brain started slowing down, man. I got into a state of clear bliss where I wasn't thinking about anything but just that sound of my foot hitting the floor. Tack, 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 tack. That's the only thing. By the way, I got stopped out. Um, that's the only sound, and there's a trade to the left. So we're going to focus on that. Stop and zone. 6:30 again gave its verdict saying that's that. Okay. Hold on. Let me finish the story. Again, guys, there is this beautiful, yeah, this is, okay. Hold on. Let me go to future so that, give me. I will complete the story, by the way. Hold on. Where is it? And why am I getting an alert? That alert is not valid, guys. It's gone. 3 on 3 is gone, by the way. So yeah, futures. So this is a stop and zone. There is two more up there. All right. Be very careful. That'll be the second trade, guys. Actually, third trade for today, but second for Ash. Stop hunt. Shit. Stop. God, man. Stop hunt. All right. So I will do the push-ups. Don't worry. I got it in my brain. That's the first stop loss for this strategy. We lost a 200 on this one again. God, man. What a month we have. All right. That's the taking candle. We have the next 5 minute candle for confirmation, and there's other zones too. So we'll be very careful about this. All right. Let me finish the story, people. Hold on. So after that 7-8 kilometers mark, now I'm getting closer to the finish line, right? Then I got into that bliss state. You should, if you get a chance to run at least 5 kilometers, just take a run and see when you have a finish line, when you have other people running with you, you know for a fact that you're going to complete it. Your brain is going to know that Arvind is in it. He's going to do it no matter what. When you get to that spot of, the race, that last link of the race, there you're floating. There you have this feeling that can never be matched by anything else in your life. When you get to that stretch, your brain goes numb. You're actually so happy that you've gone through that journey. You're almost going to complete it. When that spot comes, that is bliss. That you have to experience yourself. Just by listening to my story won't change it. When you get a chance to do a marathon, if you get it, do it. because for that seven and almost 8 kilometers, my brain was just shouting me to come, you just stop and quit and all that stuff. The last 2 kilometers, bro, was pure bliss. I was actually very, very happy that I did what I did. And I was going through that situation. And when I completed that race, man, I've never had any better feeling in my life. Talk about everything else you've accomplished in your life. That 10-kilometer run after waking up late and making sure I got there, ran with my whole backpack with 1 liter of water and all that stuff, man, that was an experience of a lifetime. If you get to run a marathon, do it. If you're new to trading, your brain is going to tell you to quit. Don't listen to that bugger. It's going to be okay. At the end of that tunnel, bro, the light is so bright that it wouldn't matter. Okay? Remember that. I'm still struggling, man. I'm not a trading guru with 90% win rate showing you all fake results or being, tens of thousands of dollars in profit. I'm still getting to go there to a profit phase. Both of my accounts right now, it's in drawdown. Man, one thing you can't take away from me is my drive to do this relentlessly every single day. That's something that I'll never give up, right? The drive for me to come here, do this day in and day out, try to get better, to read, to meditate, to go out in the gym, fail every day when it comes to the gym, do this every day. Keep doing it. One day, that last 2 kilometers will come in your life. For us in trading, one day we'll get to a place wherein we have $5 million in funding, $10 million in funding. That one trade would give us $50,000. That day will come. When that day comes, that's absolute bliss. To get to that day, you're going to get through that first 8 kilometers, that first 5 years of trading. Go through that. You're going to feel like quitting. Don't quit. Moral of the story, never listen to your brain. The hell with your brain. All right. Now, the story is done. Moral of the story is done. Let's get to this trade. We have 2 minutes. I'm going to execute this trade. We'll get back to it. All right. I hope that story was hit the mark when it comes to what I was trying to say. Yeah, man. So that's valid, guys. I'm going to get back to bloody spot. I'll do the push-ups after this, okay? I'll execute this trade. That's spot market. We'll wait for confirmations here. 1.5 minutes left. So plenty of time for confirmations. That's Wanda, that's Comex. Perfect. So I'll come back to the comments, guys. I know there's a lot of comments out there. I'll take it. All right. So what are you looking for? If the candle closes as is, I'll be looking for a sell here, man. Stop, punt, reset points. That's entry. That should be stop loss. Okay, something like that will be the trade. And Traders Connect, welcome back to the mix. Turn on, buddy. There you go. And if this comes through, you're risking $100 as usual. 0.12 lots, maybe. Let me confirm that. So again, guys, if this candle closes as is in the next 20 seconds, I will take a shot. All right. 0.12 lots. 5 minutes. 0.13 maybe. 3, 2, 1, fire. I'm in sales, guys. That's the second and last trade for Ash today. Whatever happens here happens. Uh, I'm in sales, by the way. 31.36, 32.36. All right. 110, 330. That's the confirmations I got. That's the trade I took. Whatever happens here happens. All right. Shot. If I'm going to be doing 230 push-ups, so be it. 1:3 is sitting right here. Oh God. Yeah, there you go. 1:3. I'm gonna take this off. And that's not Ash, that's stop hunt, by the way. Let me just confirm that for you. That's stop hunt. Stop hunt. Okay. I'm in this trade, man. Whatever happens here happens. That's stop loss, by the way. If it hits it, it hits it. It's entry. Let's see if this survives. Or else I'm just dropping down to do 220 push-ups. Sorry, 30. Okay, let's see. Almost there. What a perfect confirmation towards the downside and then push. I'll come back to the comments, guys. Sudhir bro is sending videos. What happening, man? I'll come and get your videos, my brother. Hold on. Let's see what the verdict says with this trade. Maybe we'll get stop loss right here. I'll do 30 push-ups. I'm getting ready for it right now. Ow. Ow. Let's go. Come on. Hit me. I know for a fact that I'm in the 7 kilometer stretch right now, below the 7 kilometer stretch. Maybe I'm in the 4 or 5 kilometer range when it comes to this marathon of trading. Man, one day we'll get to that 7, 8 kilometers mark, and then I'm ready to feel that the bliss feeling that I got. Um, right now, it's the rut, bro. Your shoelaces are getting untied. Get down, get the shoelace on, do it again, run again, right? That's the point I'm in right now. Shoelace, the backpack is weighing me down. Shoelace is getting untied. What else? My knee is paining. My head is aching. All this is happening. That's exactly where I'm in right now in this stage of trading. All these stop losses have been pushed through to me. 6:30 candles, screwing me over. Yesterday's news candle just coming in the way of the TP. All this is happening. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll keep running. I'm telling my brain, okay, throw more things at me. See what I'm doing. That's what I'm talking to my brain, right? Throw more results at me. I'm okay doing next 30 push-ups right now. Let's go. Is that all you got? Let's go. So while it's dancing with the SL, let it do its duel with the SL. Right now, I'll go through XR42. I'll go through the comments. Suppose you're in Canada, nobody knows since you came back to a country back. You've mastered the trading, and now many of us are also benefiting from you, which sparks us, man. Yo, thank you, man. I'm glad that I'm doing this, bro. I'm glad that I'm back in Canada. Ravi is back after a long time, bro. How's it going? Achieved, bro. How to convert USD to INR? Ray is saying the tunnel is very dark, bro. Trader life is such a dark tunnel, bro. Exactly, man. It's so dark that you can't see your hand in front of your face sometimes. That doesn't mean that there's no light in it, is it? Man, you just have to keep doing it. One day, bro, when you look back at it, Ray, bro, you'll have so much light, you won't even see the tunnel behind you, man. That much light, bro. So, and that much distant between you and the tunnel, my brother. So keep going, Ray. You got this, man. Congrats, man. And then by popping the unparalleled message when you're in town isn't humanly good. If you're good, keep it. Understand there's no one here who was with him from front wouldn't wouldn't bother. Did not understand, bro. Tamil, bro. Totally couldn't get it, man. Unstoppable. Let's go. Yes, stop loss is not gonna stop us, man. We're just gonna keep doing what we're doing, bro. That's a head and shoulders pattern, textbook bullshit. Yeah, we don't follow patterns, man. Of course, we don't follow patterns, bro. There's no textbook here, bro. I burnt that textbook a long time ago. That doesn't mean that I'm gonna be taking TPs every day, man. That's the part of trading, man. Remember, right now, how much we have a 37% win rate. So out of the 100 trades, for example, we only won 37 trades, but still we're up $800. Okay, so we're still in the race, man. Even by only winning 37 times, we're still positive for the month. That's what that matters, right? So winning in trading doesn't have to be 60, 70%, 90% win rate. Very, very small margins. If you do the right things, you should be good. All right. Fully agree with you. What is he agreeing about? The head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, we have we have a zone right on top of us, man. I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's see. That was that was a close call right there. I'm ready for the 30 push-ups, by the way. And I'm getting called down for tea at the same time. YOLO. 2 minutes. Come on, do it already. I'm pretty stretched. Would you rather say you were very unlucky? Most of the traders either went close to TP, I got stopped out gas, or rather touched SL. Sorry, come again. I, I would rather say we were very unlucky. Most of the traders either went close to TP or rather touched SL and went to TP. Man, luck doesn't come into it, brother. To be honest, man, Frankie, I don't believe in luck, bro. Me, we create our own lucks, man. We keep doing what we're doing, regardless of how many stop losses, how many TPs, man. As soon as you keep doing it, bro, you create your own luck, man. It's all in the game, my boss. Luck is something that fools believe in. I'm not someone who believes in luck. Two, three, four, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. One, two, five, six, seven, nine, 10, two, three, four. Come on, buddy. Five more. Come on. One, two, three, four. Two more, buddy. Come on. Four. That's 30. I don't know why that was hard. Usually 30 is not that hard. All right, guys. That's 30 more push-ups. Man, this is building up. 95. Let's go. 295 it is. All right. That's it for Stop Hunt and Ash today. Um, now I'll wait for 3 on 3s for the rest of the day. Let's see what happens. Oops. Good for you, bro. Mozamhak. Muzamhak. You also get paratha with your tea? Nah, man, it's just tea, my brother. How to convert? Oh, here we don't convert it, man. Yeah, you can Google it, bro, like Sherry Bro says. All right, guys. I'm just gonna have tea and come back, all right? Again, if I get any 3-on-3s while I'm having tea, I'll come back running. We'll be back after tea. Okay. And that was quite a workout. Perfect candle for us to take a sell, and then price goes bye-bye. Look at this. That's a beautiful reversal area, man. Tapped, beautiful green candle towards the upside, and then price just pushing, bro, pushing. All right, guys. This week, 0 wins. No, man, yesterday I took a win. You guys weren't there, but uh, one win yesterday, which was this one. That wasn't live, though. This was at, what time was it? 11:05? Yeah. Guys, again, I don't only trade for 3 hours, I trade for the whole session. This happened after the live session. This happened at 11 a.m., so 4 hours after. So, of course, there was a win this week, man. All right, guys, just gonna have tea and come back, all right? Hold on. I'm back, boys and girls. All right, we had some conversations, Harvey. Um, Sorry, bro. I know you always got my back, bro. Nah, bro. If you're waiting for a win to recover for me, man, I'd rather not you wait, bro. Exactly, man. I don't run the markets. The strategy gives a win, so we, we do stick to the strategy. Exactly, man. People should know trading is risky and no one has control over the market. People should focus on mastering the skill rather than wins and losses. Paul, bro, you're awesome as usual, man. Love it, guys. I'm glad that you guys understand that one bad week is not gonna completely take the account down. Uh, did I add? Yeah, I didn't add this. Should add this. Two stop losses for today, minus 400 bucks. Why is it this not changing, man? There's something wrong with this, people. Oh, sorry. My bad. 2SL, not 2TP. Even then, there's something wrong with this amount total because if you add all this, I don't think they'll come to a plus 800. I'll have my best friend take a look at this because I'm not the wizard. Some H118. Yeah, I have him take a look at it. I'm pretty sure this is pretty right. 1886 because 75, 25, 50, 50, 465 plus 1872 plus. Yeah, maybe right. We'll take a look at that. All right. Yeah, that is the only black sheep in the whole move. That red candle which we got the entry in. Everything else after, like three candles before, two candles, sorry, three candles after and two candles before were all green. God, yo, yeah, man, that is what it is. It's been a rough week. We will next week we will rock. Yeah, boys. Always, man. Listen, for me, I don't even think about yesterday, bro. Thinking about the whole week or even thinking about next week, man, doesn't make sense, bro. Right now is what you should be worried about. Things happen, things doesn't happen. It's all a part of it, right? What is your account balance, bro, on funding pips right now? Man, I'm bleeding, man. Both of my accounts, bro. I'm down almost $350 again with both of my accounts. Um, so down 150 per account. That's it. After that whole rough week, this complete charade, I'm just down $150 in each of my accounts. Right? That's not that's not bad. You know the fact that we've got how many cells? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 cells in the last what 6 days? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11 cells in the last 6 days. But I'm just down 150 in both my accounts. Bro, I'll take that any day of the week. Remember, guys, I was down minus 8% in my second phase account. I passed it after that. I was down minus 8%. I passed it in 3 days after that minus 8%. So anything can happen. That's why I love trading. You just have to keep breathing, keep one foot in front of the other, and then keep walking ahead. Right? That's it. How much you're down in front? That's what exactly. I'm down $300 in both of my accounts together, which means 150 on each of my accounts, give or take. Uh, so that's it. Yeah, true, bro. Cherry's right. You gotta master the strategy as well as the risk management. If you don't have the risk management to go with the strategy, bro, nah, that's when it's gonna go very bad. Guys, you guys know the story of me going to minus 8% and then passing the account, correct? My best friend went to minus 9.4%. 10% is the max loss. He was at minus 9.4%. He passed both of the accounts. He has a 100K and a 25K, both flux. He passed both of it, man. Coming from there, I came from minus 8. He came from minus 9.4. He just had 0.6% left in his tank to blow off. He was still taking the trades with 100% discipline. No over risking, no under risking, proper risk management. He's a legend. Me, minus 8%, I still had 2% to go back on. He came back from minus 9.4. So I always look up to him, man. Me thinking, okay, imagine if you're minus 9.4% down in your account, you just have 0.6% left, right? Your brain will be telling you, like, bro, Arvind, let's just take this one big trade. If it comes through, it comes through. If it not, let's just let this account go. Let's buy another one and start from the scratch. That's what your brain will tell you. We've done that in the past, but we took a vow last time that we're not going to do it. Moving forward, every single trade, we're going to follow the rule, the risk management, the whole 9 yards. He did it. He made it in the last dollars in the accounts. I think he had 5 or 6 trades left. Sorry, 5 or 6 trades left in his account to blow the account. Man, he made it, bro. We got a 1:42 together, and then we got 4 or 5, no, 6 or 7 1:3s back to back. That was just glorious. He passed the accounts. That's the mindset you gotta get, guys. No matter how many stop losses, if you're below 5% negative, man, if I go below 5% in negative, right now I'm not. Right now I'm barely in negative. If I go below 5%, I'll cut the risk into half. As simple as that until I come back from that minus 5% mark. That's what I did. You guys know this. You guys saw the whole 9 yards. Last month, when we got this, let me just check 313 for 1 second. So hold on. Not valid at all. So when we had this rough patch last month, July, right? Yeah, July. Man, I cut my risk into half. Look, 50% drawdown hit, risk cut in half. And before I was taking $200 SL days. And after that, I was taking $100 SL days. But God was like, I have different plans for you, bro. Look at how many 1:3s I'm going to give you. And when I got those 1:3s, I was risking only half of what I usually do. And then it took me longer to get back to breathing area. And then this 1:42 changed everything. Everything came together. Now we got funded, got the instant accounts. Then 3 beautiful days. And now we're going through a rough patch. Regardless, man, the next steps, if I get to minus 50, I'm going to do the same thing, right? If my account goes back minus 50%, both of my accounts, cut the risk into half. If before that, if I had 25 trades to lose, if I lost 12.5 trades, which is maybe 13 trades if I lost, I go to minus 50% and draw down. For the rest of the 5%, I'm going to cut the risk into half. Now I'm going to have another 26 trades to blow the account. Do you understand the risk management here? Okay. The game is risk management. If you can't hold on to your accounts, no matter how many accounts you're going to pass, you're going to fail. Okay. Understand this. The concept is the most important concept you will understand and you will need when it comes to trading. It's okay to be negative in your account, right? You had a bad patch like this, right? What we're going through right now. Fine, completely fine. Okay. Your account is going slowly towards, minus 5%. If you have 10%, this example is 10% max drawdown. Now your account is slowly going towards minus 5%. You've hit the minus 5% mark, which is halfway to blowing the account. Now, if you're risking $100 before, nothing. Cut it into half straight off the bat. That's it. If you had 24 trades to blow and you've blown 12 trades in a row, now you get another 24 trades to blow with the half the risk. Okay. Now, man, I don't think you'll never blow an account with that if you have a decent strategy which gives you, a 1:3 with a 40% win rate. And you also have, a wild card in your hands, which will give you trades like these. 1:42 with a $50 risk, which gave me almost $2,000, correct? So when you do those things, people, when you do the right risk management, regardless of which phase you're in, which live account, master account, whatever you call it, man, you're not going to blow accounts that easily. Guys, I'm not saying you'll never blow accounts. I'm just saying that you're going to come out of it eventually, right? My best friend with the same risk management, I think he was actually risking more initially, and then he cut his risk a little bit, sorry, halfway. And then it went to minus 9.4%. Even then, all you need is a few good trades together, which will push your account back to where it was, right? Back to break even, back to positive. That's what we're looking for, man. That's how you should actually approach trading, guys. Listen, yeah, we had 200 people while we were taking trades, while this was going to freaking 90% to TP. Now we have 125. Do you know what works with you, 125 people? I know for a fact that you guys will make it in trading because you don't shy away from taking stop losses. That's why I respect you more than the other 90 people who are here trying to, see what's what with this channel. Passing clouds will always pass. If you want to do this, if you're still listening to me yapping about risk management, sitting here after taking two back-to-back losses and after taking the whole week losses, that means that you guys care about trading. You want to learn. You're going to get better. Okay. If you want to get better, understand risk management. Any question, just put it down. I'm sorry for the green background. I have a power cut. So, hey Arvind, what happened with your accidental hedging yesterday? Have you contacted the funding pip support for clarification? Sheikh, bro, yeah, man. I did talk to them. They were like, if you close it right away, you should be good. Don't worry about it. So, should not be an issue. But I'll keep you guys posted. When I click that button for my first payout, if they deny it, I know why they denied it, right? So let's wait. Let's wait and see what happens. Right now, no one can speculate what's going to happen because they have that one arrow I gave them to use to not give me my payout. Let's see if they use it, man, because when tomorrow, when they come knocking with a sponsorship or, ads and whatnot, we will have a good conversation. Bro, just as the fast. Can you tell the entry and SL out loud? Sure, man. Sikandar, bro. I'll do it for you, man. Don't worry. If you get 50% and $55 discount, when will you come back to normal risk? Frankie, good question, bro. So if I risk my 50, if I risk my, God, hold on. If I cut my risk into 50 by 50%, when I get to 50% drawdown, I want to have a buffer of another 4 trades. So I want to get back to the 65% mark in terms of the account size, okay? And then start risking normal. I need 3 or 4 trades that I could take to go back to 50%. So even last time, guys, this was a big push and pull. So last time when I cut this off, I was actually getting closer to the 50% mark. Sorry, the 75% mark with all these trades. But the mistake that I did last time was this. I did not cut my risk when it comes to 313s because I know one trade will take me to a different stratosphere. So any trades that I was taking with TPs, this was canceling me out. Look, I was taking $100 for the day with the reduced risk. But since I got two $50 losses, which is the usual risk with 3 on 3, my days were actually getting canceled out. And look, I got $100 here, minus $50, $77 here plus, and then minus $50. So it was actually back and forth, tiptoeing around the 50% mark. I was still actually doing very well with one strategy. And since I made a mistake of not cutting that risk into half, man, I was stuck in that 50% range. And then that's the first time that I was actually going through, the rules and whatnot with this risk management. So we figured out in order to get out of that rut, of that 50% mark, Frankie, what we did was we need buffer for 3 more trades. Okay. Yes, you got to 50% mark. Now you have cut your risk into half. If you're getting TP trades and if your account is moving forward from 50% to maybe 70, 75%, now you can take 3 or 4 trades with your normal risk to get back to 50%. That gives you buffer to actually, if you get one trade out of those 4 trades with your normal risk, you will go back to break even, right? So that's the whole idea behind cutting the risk and then making a small buffer to go back to normal risk. So 25% of, being in that 50% risk. Then if your account and when your account get back to 75% in terms of, drawdown, then bro, you go back to your original risk and then fly from there, right? That's what I did. I cut my risk into half. I was actually playing ping pong with 50% mark. A lot of TPs were coming through from Ash and stop point, but my mistake was not cutting the risk with 3 on 3. I was actually going back and forth between the 50% mark. And eventually, when I built a buffer from the 50% mark, that third trade that I took gave me a 1:3 as well as this trade. So I got a 1:3, came back to normal risk, and then this trade happened, guys. That trade happened. After that, it's history, man. When I took this trade, I was maybe $200 or $300 short, and then I passed the account with all these trades together. So there were SLs in between. So that's how you do it, guys. You never shy away from trades, man. Yeah, we almost got a TP today. Yeah, we got hit right after we took an entry. That's how you manage, man. Hey, Mike, what's up? Will you please share the CA contact details, bro, in the Discord? Rich and bro, I'll do it, man. First, let me test him out, okay? I'm just putting on feelers now. Um, Sherry is going to open an account. Sorry, Sherry is going to open a company with him. Let's test him out initially. Let's see if he's good because I don't want to recommend someone who's not good, okay? Rich and bro, just wait for maybe a week or two. Let's see how he works. Let's see if he's doing good work. If so, when he does it, I'll give it to you, okay? Because if I say someone is good, they should be actually good. I don't want to just say, just for the sake of saying, yeah, that's the guy I got. Maybe, maybe not, right? Experience would be back to conference and it increases the respect we have on you, bro. Now, bro, thank you, man. Thank you. Means a lot, brother. You know that after that stop loss, I just go and play table tennis for 3 hours straight and then nothing matters. Rajat, bro, that's amazing, man. Because guys, you should have a release point. For me, release point is watching a couple of good episodes, man. I forget everything in life. I'm watching Soprano right now. Have you guys watched Soprano? Sopranos. It's SO, is it? The Sopranos. Dude, not this. Sorry. This. I'm watching this right now in Hotstar. Bro, I like it, man. Actually good, bro. Um, I'm actually gonna send this into Discord. If you guys have time, if you like it, go ahead and watch it. But that's from HBO, by the way. Man, pretty good, bro. There you go. You guys can take a look at it. Man, I watched a couple of episodes and I was like, and I become calm. And then I hit the gym. Bro, everything just melts off me, man. Nothing else bothers me anymore. Bro, on another note, just saw the flash flood at Nepal Tibet border. How many properties lost? This is nothing compared to what we're going through. Let's go. Cromwell, bro, I saw that video yesterday, man. Freaking horrifying, bro. The people who were running like ants, man, I feel sorry for them, man. It was an absolute tragedy, bro. Yeah, man, you're right. Compared to them, we're nothing. We're going through nothing, bro. We're just taking losses on an imaginary account, bro. It's not even real money, for God's sakes. So, guys, we're doing good, man. We're still alive and breathing. We don't have any floods washing away our friends, family, and ourselves all together with cars and buildings and whatnot. We're actually good, man. That is an awesome web series. Sure, bro has seen it. Man, it's awesome, man. Watch Breaking Bad and Prison Break. I recommend it. Bro, Breaking Bad, for some reason, um, I watched the first half of the season. Man, making drugs and even Sopranos, bro. He's a gangster, right? He's a gangster, but I don't know, man. Breaking Bad for some reason did not sit well with me, just selling drugs and thinking too much about it. But with Sopranos brand, it's the thing that happens to Soprano. So yeah, he commits murder once in a while. I think he's done it once in the first 2 seasons. Um, Other than that, man, He's just this normal dude who's trying to get through the macho life of his, um, what do you call it? Like a Godfather life. I mean, it's kind of different. Prison Break, man, that's a good idea, bro. I should actually try Prison Break. Bro, watch Breaking. You guys love Breaking Bad, don't you? All right, guys. I'm gonna read my book for the next 5 minutes. Again, never lose the habits. I should have done this at 7 a.m., but right now let's do it. 5 minutes. I'll put the timer on. Habits is what is gonna push us towards the right direction, boys and girls. Let's cultivate the right habits. Let's go. So I will put on the timer. Hold on. See, that's a 5 minute timer. Let's go. And I'm almost halfway in the book. I will finish this very soon. 5 minutes, people. And 5 minutes runs so fastly, bro. Like how? I like it. All right. There is increasing chance of getting a 3 on 3 in the next 10 minutes. Let's see. That is actually good. Drop right there. See, I told you. Speak of the devil, she shows up. It's one, it's two. Oh, yeah. Not a 3 on 3, right? Sweet. All right. Oh, see the red candle. It's very strong, bro. Yo, now, bros. Red candles. Yeah, man. Who cares, bro? I think it took this this zone right here, man. That ash zone was taken. Bro, it's just all a game of probability, man. There's so many trades during the day. If we would have taken, maybe if we got this before the two stop losses, that would have been a TP, right? So look, that's an ash. Yeah, that's an ash zone back there, right? Wait, this is a spot. So we don't care about spot. Let's see what happened in the futures. So yeah, that wasn't taken in futures. Yeah, man. Yeah, that wasn't taken. This was, yeah, again, faked out, I think. Yeah, again. Yeah, but it's just all a game of numbers, probability, and risk management. As simple as that, man. Yeah, we'll wait for it. If I get a 3 on 3, I'll let you guys know. I still have almost 40 minutes healthy time to maybe get another 3 on 3. I'll let you know if you want to take it, take it. Guys, I'm thinking about this, adding a story session to the day. So we already have a meditation session, a reading session, a motivational session, and now a story session. How about that? That would be fun to go through good stories, life stories, story that I've heard, something motivational connected to the story, something like that. What do you guys think? If we get 5 yeses, we'll add it to the mix. I'll put some alerts. Let's do a story time. I mean, we guys, majority of the people here, 109 people here now, majority of us spend our time every single morning for 3 hours together. Let's make it fun. What do you think? Let me know. 5 yeses, I'll add a story time. Tell about ghost story. Yeah, ghost story is for tomorrow. We'll keep that, but every day, let's say maybe my life story or an experience I had or a story that I heard, something like that. So I got 2 S's. I need 3 more. Let's do a story session. Let's see. If you guys like it, I'll do it. If not, who cares? That's 3. Bro, are you saying yes from both of your accounts, man? Because both says AK. Is that you, bro? So a big yes. Okay, that counts as one yes. So 4 yeses, one more, boys and girls, one more. Let's see. So any story, man, like I'll let you pick. So I'll have 2 stories every day. I'll let you pick the topic, meaning might be a motivational story and might be just a story with a moral, something like that. I'll let you pick one, then I'll tell that story to you. All right? SL star ban gaya hai aap to. Thank you, man. I'm always a stop loss star, man. I'm a star anyway. Thank you. Kept it for Friday. So we got 5 yeses, man. Yeah. So the horror stories are kept for Fridays. Okay. Let's go. 6, 7. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the participation. Okay. I'll add a story time to it. Okay. But I have to work on this every day because every day a new story, man, that's gonna be quite a bit. What? Sorry, I just opened Insta for some reason and I just saw the floods video. Man, that's insane, bro. It's insane. From a different angle, from a different view. Meditation we did, motivation we did, we read today. So I'm going to add another reminder. What time do you guys want to do? Every day, meditation is at 6, reading is at 7, motivation is at 8. Let's do let's do a story, man. This guy's so worried about stop losses, man. Mr. Amazon 6503. 3 days ho gaya loss karwa rahi ho aap. Yeah, man, 3 days. Bro, for you especially, bro, Mr. Amazon, for the next 10 days, man, I'm gonna give losses, bro. But please don't follow me, man. I don't want you to follow me, bro. Especially you, bro. I mean, if you're worried about 3 days worth of losses after taking bloody TPs for the last freaking 30 days, bruh, I don't think trading is for you. I don't think this channel and this community is for you, man. God, bro. So that so that flood happens every part of India, Dubai, and China. Even Dubai, Patelji, I know I know China and Dubai were connected with that flood because it came through from China, I think, into Nepal, right? That also was in India, by the way. It was Nepal, which is not a part of India. But I'm not sure about Dubai, man. Dubai is usually dry, isn't it? So I'm trying to fit in the story somewhere, man. Story time. So 6, 7, 8. Let's do 8:25 or 8:30 for that matter. No, 8:30 will be pushing it. So let's do 8:15. Okay. Story time at 8:15 every morning. 8:15. Yeah. Let's go. Reminder 5 minutes before. Nah. Yeah, 5 minutes before would be good. Repeat weekdays. Let's go. Okay. All right. I'll put the story time on. Let's see. Did you over risk on your trades? Paul, bro. Yeah, man. I don't know what happens with him, bro. He's a pretty negative guy, to be honest. He cannot stomach stop losses, man. Mr. Amazon 6503. That's sad, bro. I just start following you from the day you said I'm going on vacation. Bro, bad timing for you to come in, man. Yeah, bro. Last time, I think Badri came in at this point. She came in at exactly this area, man. Sometimes people catch great breaks, bro. Look, she came in when, you know, when we were like bloody walking on clouds with all these TPs with Ash and Stop Hunt. But for you, man, it's just wrong timing, bro. I went on vacation. Before that, it was all rainbows and sunshine. After we came back, it was actually good 3 days. And now it's the rough patch, bro. It's just wrong timing for you, man. Stick around, bro. We'll have much better timings, man. AK, surely, man. Definitely better than this, bro. Triple A, man. That's the last time I'm gonna let you say that, bro. Next time I'm gonna kick you out, man. There's no USD here, man. USDT. We don't do USDT here. You've asked it thrice, 3 strikes, fourth strikes. You're out, my brother. Any trades, bro? I'm late today, man. I got three whacked 3 times, bro. I did what 45 push-ups in the morning, man. I'm pretty jacked for this morning. Yeah. So the reminder is working. I got a reminder saying it's story time for today, but we'll start from tomorrow. Yeah. So 3 on 3s, very close attention, people, because there is a 3-2-1 forming right now. Maybe another two candles, red candles, and we'll find one. What kind of payout I can expect for 10K if I reduce the risk in half? Sikandar bro, that depends on what you're risking right now. How much do you risk in terms of your account size? Tell me in percentage. So for me, I risk $100 for my $25,000 account, which is 0.4% of the account size. Sikandar bro, now tell me how much you're risking per trade per account. The one who doesn't have confidence to face a sell must enjoy the happiness. Oh, sorry, must not enjoy the happiness of TP, bro. Navras, bro, I think you're right, man. Um, if people can't take classes, bro, hold on. He's saying something, man. It'll be fun. Uh, he's saying something positive, man. Hold on. He said, इस बात में कोई शक नहीं आप बहुत अच्छा ट्रेड देते हो बहुत प्रॉफिट भी uh, बनाया but ये 3 दिन में आप लॉस करवा रहे हो. He's just saying there's no doubt in you being a good trader. You gave many profits, but for the last 3 days you're giving losses. So, bro, finally you said something which has some truth to it and some positivity from your from your account, man. When I gave positive trades, there was no response from you. You were happy with it. And why is there a response from you when you're getting, stop losses for the last 3 days? So that says a lot about your temperament in terms of trading. For you, man, it shouldn't bother you when you're taking stop losses because when you're losing, if you have the right risk management, you're only losing $100 per trade, for example. But when you're winning $300 per trade if you're risking 100, right? So it shouldn't bother you just that you got three losses. So if you have the right risk management, bro, this will just slide off your back and then it doesn't bother you, right? So news, sorry, new is 30 for 3 on 3. Oh, now is 30 for 3 on 3, 40 for Ash trade. So what is $40 worth when it comes to $10,000 account? So 10% of a $10,000 account is $1,000. 1% is $100. 0.5% is $50. Okay. You're risking 0.4%. See, I'm bad at math, man. It takes me time for me to realize that. Okay, 0.4. Man, for 3 on 3, I would suggest you to risk $20, bro. That's it. So with that, man, if you're doing good, if you have a good month, man, you should. What are you expecting in terms of payout? Okay, let me think about it. Let's say if we do 5% in the month, that'll give you what? Out of 10K account, 10,000 would be 10%. $5,000 if we have a good month. Okay. If we have a 5% month, we have done 10% months before. May was, I think, 10% profit. May, as you guys see, it was 9.5% profit for the whole month. So if we have half of this month, man, Sikandar, bro, you'll be making $5,000. Hold on. I'm getting my math wrong. 5% is what? $500, is it? Shit. Sorry, man. I'm bad at math, bro, by the way. 10% is 1,000. 5% is $500. Yes, man. You'll be making $500, bro. If we have a 5% month, man, you'll be making $500 with what you're risking, bro. Don't worry about it. You're in the right risk limit. You're risking 0.4% and 0.3% per trade. I'd suggest you to risk 0.2% for 313 because 313, again, is a wild card. And also, I trade for 5 more hours after the live session, right? So there's more timings to it. You might lose some 313s that I take personally in my accounts. So I would definitely recommend you to risk 0.2% for max for 313, 0.4 to 0.6% when it comes to Ash, because Ash is proper, man. If you're getting a good month with Ash, man, you're on the moon. So yeah, bro, that's my advice for you. If in a good month you're making somewhere between 500 to $1,000 out of your 10K account, to answer your question. We love to enjoy always with you, bro. SLOTP part of business. You never know what happens the next day. We love you, bro. So, dear man. You always put a smile on my face, bro. Thank you so much for saying that, man. Means a lot, my brother. I mean, that's just brotherly love right there, man. Love you too, my brother. Um, yeah, you support me no matter what. I know that, man. Your chart not showing the entry and exit, man. There's no Nandan, bro. There's no entries right now. I'm waiting for a 3 and 3 trade. If I get it, I'll let you know, bro. But you don't use order flow or volume, no, bro. King, no order flows or anything else like that, man. It's just purely two strategies. The links of the strategies in the description. You can take a look at it, my brother. The biggest problem I have is that I have a futures account, so I have to take one lot. So when I got stop, I lost 100 USD minimum. There is no other option for me to risk less. Oh, bro, listen. AK Entertainment, bro, listen. With futures account, you can trade with micro gold or gold futures. Okay. Um, are you talking about gold futures or micro gold futures? Because if you want to risk less, go with micros. It's much better for you, man. You can actually risk less. You won't be losing $100. Do you understand what I'm saying? So which asset are you trading? Is it micros or is it the actual futures? Actual futures, if you're trading, bro, you're losing more than 100. I know that for a fact. Second, 500, bro, you hyped me up. Yo, 100%, bro. Listen, Sikandar, bro. If and when, so right now, listen, right now, bro, this month, Sikandar, bro, we're up almost 3 grand. Okay. 3 grand. If I only had that 25 K account, being up 3 grand is a lot of money. How much is 3 grand in terms of a 25K account? 25K, that's more than 10%, bro, Sikandar. So if we're up with our 25K account, $3,000, that's 10%. So you're making $1,000 out of your $10,000 account. If you could replicate this, okay, even after all these stop losses, I think this number is not accurate because of the fact that we got 400. I put 400 today, but it did not change. We'll work on this number. But example, if I'm only having my one account and if I'm up $3,000 on my account of $25,000 account, that is more than 10%. So if you could replicate these results in your own account, bro, Sikandar, you're making bloody $1,000 out of your 10K account. Okay. That's 1 lakh rupees in India, close to 1 lakh rupees. Man, that's good money, right? So I'm not hyping you up, man. It's just the facts, bro. That's the numbers I'm showing you, right? It is possible, my brother. Just hold on to it. Keep trusting the strategy, learn the strategy because when I'm not there, you won't be able to take. So, yesterday, guys, I wasn't here, right? Sorry. Yesterday, I wasn't here. Jayashree actually took this with me. Some of my other students actually took this. So you would have missed this, correct? If you just copy me blindly, guys, this happened at 11:05. You could have missed this. You would have definitely missed this if you just want to copy me during the live sessions. So if you can't understand and learn what I'm doing, you're not going to replicate my results. So this results that I'm getting is by trading the whole session. The total amount that you guys see, the $1,800 with profit from my 3 on 3 strategy and $800 up with this strategy for this month. The bottom line, which is almost $2,500, that's 10%, more than 10%. You cannot replicate this if you don't understand and apply the strategies, right? That's why I keep telling you guys not to just blindly copy me, than trying to understand what I'm trying to do and replicate this if I'm not here. Yesterday, every day, I'm only here for 3 hours. What happens after the 3 hours? There is 5 more hours, actually more than 5 hours to Tokyo to end. What happens at that time? You don't take trades? Then how will you get my results that I'm getting? I trade after bloody 8:30 when I'm done. Sorry, 8:45 when I'm done live, right? So I got this trade yesterday. Yeah, I closed it at a 1:1.5, but it went to TP. If I didn't have the news, I would have taken it, the whole TP. So you would have missed that trade. That's when the gap between your account and my account widens. Because you guys are looking at what trades I'm doing for the first 3 hours, 3 hours and 15 minutes. What happens for the rest of the 5 hours is is what determines, your results and mine. Because, I have DMs when people are saying, bro, you're profitable. I'm following your same trades, but I'm not profitable. The distance is this. You're copying the trades of my first 3 hours, but I'm still trading for the rest of the session. So when I get TPs like this, you guys got three SLs yesterday. I got that three SLs and I got a TP. Yesterday, I finished the day in positive, but you would have finished your day in negative just because you couldn't catch that day. Yesterday's results, I finished the day yesterday with a $40 profit. It's not big, but it's not a loss day, right? I didn't lose anything yesterday. Comparatively to other people who only were here, who only were copying me for the first 3 hours, they had a negative day to go through all this, right? So you club everything together, your results and my results will be different if you're just copying me for the first 3 hours. But if you're understanding what I'm trying to do, if you're following me, learning the strategies and applying the strategies, your results will be almost the same as mine. Yeah, we both will have a 10% return on our accounts if we both are taking the same trades throughout the session. So that's why every time I tell you guys not just to copy my trades, but to understand what Arvind is trying to do, how he's doing it, what the entries are like, trying to figure out, decode it, like what the entry confluences may be. You don't have to buy the course, man. But if you pay attention to all the trades I take, bro, plenty of times I've given plenty of times. I was stupid enough to, give you the strategy itself. The Ash strategy, I've accidentally shown it multiple times throughout the last 3 months. If you go back on the live sessions, I've shown you the strategy, man. It's very simple to decode, man. It's very simple to actually replicate my results when it comes to Ash and stop hunt. Yes, you won't understand 313. It's very hard because there are a few things. Even if you understand, the secret sauce, if you don't go through my conferences, I don't think you'll get the strategy. But with Ash and Stop On, guys, it's pretty straightforward to understand. Okay. So learn from me. Just don't copy me. Copy me will not work in the long run because I'm trading throughout the session. I hope I could make you guys understand what the difference is and how we are being different, right? So, guys, try to decode my strategy. Try to just, learn from it, man. So why are you not considering 12:35 candle on 26th August as stop hunt? 12:35 candle, 26th August. Okay. 26th August, 12:35, 12:35. This, bro, pretend, bro, I would consider it, but two trades we took, two stop losses we took for the day. That's it. I won't consider anything else when it comes to Ash today. Yes, that is a good zone. Yeah, you got it. That's a good zone. If I wasn't trading, man, I would have got a trade there definitely. Hold on. You definitely got a trade there, bro. Maybe a TP. Who knows? So you know my rules, right? I only take two trades for strategy, two trades for 3 on 3. Sorry, two trades for Ash is done. Ash and stop on. One trade for 3 on 3 is done. I'm waiting for the second trade with 3 on 3. If I get an entry, a valid entry, I'll take it. I have 15 more minutes for this live session, and I have 5 hours left in the whole session. I'll do it, right? Just stick to the strategy, brother. With proper risk management, you'll definitely pass the account. Rajat, bro, awesome, man. To inform about 3 on 3 and Ash, you take after the session in the group. So I took yesterday, but I don't have confirmation futures. So no TradingView premium. So it's a headache. Sikandar, bro, man, the reason why I don't share my 3 on 3 entries when I take it is because of the fact that people will take entries after the fact. Meaning, so let's say if I post this 3 on 3 trade right now, if people see that trade after 10 minutes, in open their Discord after 10 minutes and see that trade running, they'll be like, Arvind took this trade, let me jump in right now. They will have a big stop loss. And if that goes to stop loss, which 9 out of 10 trades will, they're going to take a big loss. And that's not something that I recommend, right? I'd love them to understand the strategy and take the trades themselves. As a mentor, that's my job to, explain trades, teach, rather than just give the 3 on 3 trades, right? And I understand that you don't have premium. That's a big headache. But for 3 on 3 trades, man, I do it in spot. So you don't need the premium, man. All right. Do you know me, bro? You do know me, and others book good profits in first. I already told you because of you. Still, I don't know anything about trades. I'm losing in trades. If I go with my own mind, I'll never. One profit, so good. You're good in this business. You're giving your best. It's all up to us what we do. We also use our minds to manage profit and losses. It's at 180 pips in your first trade. If I see, yeah, man. Like Sudhi said, at the end of the day, guys, I leave it up to you to take profits, to take partials, to take break evens. It's completely up to you. I'm just showing you what I do. It's up to you in terms of those decisions, managing the right risk, doing the right things, or doing partials. I'm not saying partials is a bad thing to do. I leave it up to you, right? Bro, you're right. We must follow your strategy. Exactly, man. Navros, bro. Exactly. Ours only give 20 to 40 pips. Start telling to everyone, manage their trade and go with break even. But you are different and best in trade. We love you, bro. Sudhir, man. Thank you, man. Yeah, I've seen people take trades, especially talking about people who is big in live streams and whatnot. Callisto, I know you guys know him, the mask guy. Yeah, he will he will put a trade on. The trade will run for 10 pips, which means for his standards, it's just one pip. One pip move, he'll go break even. That's it, break even. He'll be like, guys, break even, break even. At that point, you're only entering the trade. You're thinking, he's already gone to break even. I'm just entering the trade. I can't break even now, and price goes to stop loss. And he'll be taking a break even in this trade. So that's why, man, if I give a trade, if I take a trade anyway, you'll have plenty of time to see what's happening, to understand what's happening, and to learn from it, right? Bro, your open talk makes everyone an inspiration and consistency to win forever, bro. Nah, bros, man, you're being too kind, bro. Being too kind. Man, I've taken freaking three losses and taken maybe 10 losses this week, bro. Thank you, man. I'm just being myself. I'm just showing you guys what I do usually. Man, regardless of you guys were here, if I was doing the live or not, I'm doing the same things, going through the same rules, same risk, same things apply if I'm doing lives or if I'm not doing lives. I'm just showing you guys what I do. I'm glad that you guys appreciate it. I'm very, very happy. I'm very proud. I'm very humble to get the appreciation from you people. It means a lot to me. And for you guys to, for 85 of you guys to stay still, waiting for a 3-on-3 entry and waiting to, for me to finish this session means a lot to me, man. It actually means a lot to me. Ash of farming throughout the day, 40% for overall, just in Tokyo session. Yeah, bro, Sikanda, 40% is the win rate for the session itself. But if you want to go through all the trades throughout the day, man, maybe the win rate will go higher or lower. I don't know. I don't want to know it because for me, if the first two trades gives me a profit or a loss, I'm okay with it. My day is done. And you reset the next day, come back at it, right? By this way, your account is alive for tomorrow, next day, and the day after. But if you're taking 10 trades in a day, maybe if you have a 30% or even a 20% win rate, you're going to blow the account, right? Eventually. So that's why I keep it. Love it, love it when you answer everyone. Thank you, man. King. Appreciate it, bro. Guys, when I have the time to answer everyone, I'll do it. If not, my team will get to you. I have an amazing team of two people now, maybe bigger. Even Rajat bro is helping nowadays with the questions. So officially two, unofficially three. Thank you, bro, Rajat. Um, so those people are amazing. They're doing it from their own time. Shari bro, Ranjit bro, and Rajat bro, they're just helping from their own good hearts. Appreciate it. So they will get to you. If not, I'll get to you. Always. Arvind has back tested Ash and stop it in Tokyo session. Yes, sir. See, Rajat bro is answering the question. Thank you, man. Most of them trade on in 1 minute chart already, 15 seconds delay. You're gonna go with time. I totally agree, sir. Exactly, man. If you're taking trades, Patel bro, you're right, bro. If they're trading in 1 minute, right? If you're giving, if they're charging you money for giving trade entries, I'm not saying they're bad. I'm just saying that when they give the entries, there's already a 15-second lag with YouTube. YouTube gives it, it's not like Discord, it's not like Zoom call where you see it live when it's happening live. With YouTube, when we're streaming, there is a 15-second lag. So when I say I entered, it'll take you 15 seconds to get to you, to your live streams and your tablet or phone or whatever you're watching me at. So in that 15 seconds, the market could do anything, right? Go up, go down, go sideways, do whatever. So sometimes you get bad entries, sometimes you get better entries. So with other people, when they charge you for entries and they wait when they trade in 1 minute, I don't think it's going to be as effective as trading in the 5 minute, 10 minute, or even the 1 hour time frame. And when you get trades in those time frames, it's actually easier to actually replicate the results rather than 1 minute. Bro, I joined many mentorships in Sri Lanka, but listening to you for last month makes me trading psycho, and my trading routine lifts many steps, bro. Um, I think that's a good thing. He said trading psycho. He's saying he's getting better, guys. Don't worry. Like Dilshin, bro, man, that's one of the best compliments I've got. Thank you, man. I'm glad that you're getting better, bro. I'm very happy that you're getting better. I'm very happy that you're staying to the whole session, man. Guys, you don't have to follow my trades. You don't have to, take every trade that I take. One thing that I ask from you, which might help you, is the psychology and the habits. Two things, if you're here, if you're still here listening to me, excuse me, if you're still here listening to me, what I would suggest you to do is take these two things from me because I think those are the things that very successful people follow. These two things. One is my mindset in terms of taking losses. Okay. My mindset, I feel I'm replicating the top 1% on planet Earth. Losses shouldn't bother you. Even if it does bother you, shrug it off and move. That one thing I want to learn from me because it took me a long time to learn this from other good people, other people that doing good in their trading careers. Okay. That's one thing that I want you guys to learn from me. The second thing are the habits. Guys, if you see any successful person out there, anyone who's made it big time, any athlete, Virat Kohli, LeBron James, bloody Michael Michael Jackson, anyone you take, any popular person out there, they had the habits, man. They had the relentlessness to their passion. They had the habits that I'm trying to replicate in the live session. Majority of them read books. Majority of them worked out. 95% of them had a good physical routine. Majority of them meditated, calmed their minds every single day. These are the habit that those people did. If you are only learning two things from me, get the habits from me, get the mindset, because I'm trying to replicate those guys, right? You're not only replicating me, you're replicating what I've learned in the last 9 years from those successful people. So I know Paul, bro, comes here. He's still here. I'm pretty sure he's still here for just the habits, the vibe, and the energy. I'm glad you don't have to follow me blindly with my trades. But if you could only learn a few things, learn the habits, learn the risk management, learn the mindset. If you could learn that, I'm happy. I'm more than happy. This live stream, this session, this channel that I'm trying to create, and the community that I'm trying to create is successful. That's my life's goal. And that's why we've created a Discord wherein you can actually share anything that you want, which is positive, which is constructive, any doubts that you can ask. You can actually talk about anything and everything inside this community. So if you're already a part of it, yay, awesome, congrats. Any doubts, any pitfalls, any bad days, just share it. We're here to lift you up. Even if I'm having a bad day, I'm just going to be like, guys, this day sucked. I'm having a bad day. I know people will get in and say, I know for a fact if Ranjit bro is here, he'll say, Arvind, just breathe, bro. You got this. Keep going. We have people like that in the community. And I'm very, very happy and I'm very blessed to have people like those. It's just not Ranjit bro, it's Sherry bro. It's 90% of the people there are positive, man. I'm sorry I'm not naming you individually, but the community that we've built right now, I know there are upwards of 700, almost 700 people at the community right now. But there are a few who actively communicate within this community who are actually making the community better in terms of every conversation that we have inside the community is actually going good. I'm happy about it. I'm very thrilled about it. Post your live trades. I am posting my live trades, man. What do you mean post your live trades? Um, if I'm not wrong, only one trade I've seen in your live today, but not show profit the last one. But if I'm talking about others, I've seen 90, 70% trade turn back from 50 to 70% achievements. Sudhir, bro, I took three trades today. Three of them got whooped. Yeah, man, not a lot of people, have the audacity and the heart to show all the trades that they take live. And I'm okay with it, bro. I'm okay to take losses during lives because this is all that I do. I'm just showing you what you get, what I do, right? I got 3 on 3 signal. Nah, man, it's not valid, my brother. I'm still waiting for a valid signal, man. After some time, they will try to sell indicators $45 per month, which is no issue, crazy world. But you made my life a lot simpler. Stop hunt zone and ice zone. Patel ji, I'll never sell my indicators, man. That you'll get from me. My indicators, one of my indicators is free. The other one, I don't charge for it monthly. Don't worry. And I'm glad, man. I'm glad you understand Ash and Stop Hunt. Patel ji, you're doing good, man. Go ahead. Doing meditation at early morning 5 in the hour is best feeling, bro. He's been doing it for the last 26 years. Navras, bro. Bro, you're hardcore, man. 26 years, that's amazing. See, Dilshan bro is here from 5:30 in the morning. He's still here, bloody holding on to the live session, listening to me yap. Bro, you're awesome, man. I read this book, Atomic Habits, real good, sir. Patel, bro, I've read it twice. I love the book, right? Guys, get the right habits from the people who have done it, from the people who've made it. Well, actually, if you haven't read the book Atomic Habits, take it up, read it. Guys, every day I show you that I read a book. I read it for a fact. I'm just not showing this to you. Listen, every night now I have, for the last, I think, 2 or 3 days, I've made it a routine that I read 45 minutes before bed. That's why I've read so much in the last 2 days. Before I was just at 10% of the book. Now I'm almost to 50% in completing this book. Guys, books are really good for you. Take up good books. Any book, man, any book which is self-help, which makes you get better at your life, at your relationships, at your trading, whatever, man. Get better with books, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm not in any trades right now. Patelji, you're awesome. Patelji is always awesome. I love that guy, man. Patelji, man, when I start a company, bro, I'd love to have you in my company, man. When I do it like properly with an office and employees and other partners, man, bro, I love your vibe, man. Also, a lot of other people here. Sorry, again, I'm not naming everyone in the topic of talking about Patelji. I was just naming him. Okay, don't get offended, people. Other people here, and of course, I love to have majority of you in my company. I'm sure I've also read or listened to Jim Rohn. Oh, Prasad, bro. I love Jim Rohn. Every day, man, I listen to him. You guys won't believe me. Every day, if it's even for a minute or two, I listen to him, man. Jim Rohn is amazing. He was an official trainer for the company I worked with. Wow, bro. Even after his passing, his legacy continues to inspire me deeply. Prasad, bro, but I wish I got to see him when he was alive. I wish I got to see him talk when he was still here with us. Man, I'm very psyched that you've actually seen him talk, been with him, been in the same room as him. Prasad, bro, I'm very freaking jealous of you, man. Yo, what a legend, bro. What a legend. I know Dr. Kumar, if he was here, he would tell you that he might have met him because he met Tony Robbins. He's met um, my idol completely. Now I'm having a brain freeze. God. David Goggins. Sorry, man. I got a brain freeze. David Goggins, man. Big idol of mine. Love that guy, bro. He's met him, bro. I want to meet him one day, man. I want to see him talk one day. I know I will do it. It's on my bucket list. It's right on top of my bucket list, guys. I'll do it. I'm waking up early for your live, but told you helping really good for me for trading psychology. I don't miss your life for the past 3 weeks. Abel, man, thank you so much for saying that, bro. Thank you for being here. You guys make it special. We've got 117 likes for a session wherein we took three stop losses. That means a lot to me. That means you guys love me and like the sessions. Yeah, we'll keep doing what we're doing, man. I've also attended Tony Robbins live sessions in Boston. Woo! Investing in personal growth has always been one of my best investment. Prasad, bro, totally agree, man. I've read three of Tony Robbins' books. Love the man. Love how he carries himself. Love his work. Man, Prasad, bro, you're doing what I want to be doing, man. One day I'll get to your place wherein I get to listen to all these amazing people live, bro. I want to get better. That's what I try to do every single day. But I'll go through the comments. I'm out of time today, and I'll just then bugger off. Sir, I was lonely when I went to trade in the morning, early morning, 6 months back. Didn't have company last 1 month. I'm following you. I love to wake up. Patelji, I'm happy, man. I'm happy, bro. Thank you for saying that, man. You know, you guys make my day better. Believe it or not, you guys show up every day. You guys talk to me every day. Trust me, every single one of you who's listening right now, 94 of you. And also, I want to say this. Majority of you guys are being silent. I know a lot of people that are watching me haven't spoken a word, haven't said a word in the comment, but get this from me. I appreciate you. Listen, you guys don't have to talk. I know a lot of you guys don't talk. You're just here listening to me, watching me closely, just learning, or in the shadows. I want to take this time to thank you. Okay. I know a lot of people actually contribute to the community, talk openly. You know, they're not they're not shy. I'm not saying you're shy, and you know, for any reason that you're silent in these streams, thank you for being here. Thank you for doing what you do. Thank you for the support. You don't have to tell me you love me. I know you love me because you're here every day. Okay, I know you guys. Some of you, I know personally, some of you, I know that you're here. I'm just saying thanks to each and every one who hasn't spoken yet. I know a lot of you guys are silent. I know you're watching me. I know you personally. You know me personally. And also for the people who don't know me personally, thank you. Means a lot. Appreciated. You don't have to say thank you. You don't have to say love you. You don't have to tell me that you hate me. But thank you for being here. Thank you for doing what you do every day. Thank you for striving to get better in life. You will get there even if you don't ask the same question like others. Even if your questions have been answered when other people ask the questions. Thank you. Thank you for each and every one of you here. It means a lot. I just want to take this time because right now, I know the people who are listening right now are the hardcore believers and hardcore people who want to learn and improve and get a better mindset. That's why I'm doing this, after the timing is done. Because majority of the people who came here for profits would have left because I took three stop losses back to back. The 85 who are watching right now, I know are the people who want to be here to get better in life, to get better in trading. You guys are hardcore. That's why I'm extending this live session to thank you people, because I know for a fact you guys are here to get better. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Means a lot. Thank you all for the support. Man, I'm actually walking on clouds right now, knowing that you guys have my back. You guys will give the energy, the vibe, the environment for the community to grow. Get this from me. My growth, our growth will not stop here. I'm aiming for goddamn Mars. I won't stop until I get to freaking sun. Okay, that's the aim. So we will get better together. Okay. Thank you so much. And last two comments, and then I'll bugger off. Um, Exuberant Arvind, thank you. In YouTube, you'll find the precious structure to what to do with it. He's a researcher. Oh, okay. Ryan Doris, I'll definitely look at him, man. Ryan Doris, thank you, man. I like this, guys. I like to learn, man. If I don't know the person, I'll definitely try Doris, right? Doris. Yo, I will look at him. I'll look at his work. I'll definitely listen to that TED talk of his. I like TED talks, guys. Thank you, bro. MTY, man. I know you're silent for a few days now. See, people, I love you all, man. Just watching you work. Thank you. Gopinath Reddy. There you go. See, you guys are watching me work, man. I love that. Thank you. That you're resilient. We feel that bro, I'm a guy it's like Rocky 3, man. His look, the opponent's look when he knocks Rocky down. Okay, he punches him. He completely breaks Rocky down. Right? He knocks him down. Rocky's down on the floor. Now he's done. In the Rocky 3, the villain character thinks that Rocky's done for. He'll never get up. When Rocky gets up again and again and again and again, no matter how many times he's been freaking knocked on his teeth and on the ground, he gets back again. Guys, you can take that from me. No matter how many cans I'm gonna blow, I might change the approach, but I won't, let my strategies go. I'll come back every single day, sit right on this chair, keep going at it. I'll keep pecking at it every single day. Try to get better. Day one, day two, day 100, day 1,000. I'm almost to 1,000 days of full time trading doing this. We will do this. We'll keep doing this. Resilience is something, persistence, resilience is something that you should have if you want to win big in life. Man, no matter how many failures I see in trading, in life, my job as a human being is to get back up and say, yeah, I lost that battle. I haven't lost the war yet. I won't quit. I'll never quit. Thank you for all the love and support. Be here tomorrow morning at 5:30. You'll see Arvind with a smile, ready to go at next day. That's it. Always take a break, come back at it. We'll do this better. We'll get better every single day. This is Arvind and Rangaswamy signing off. Thank you, every single one, for being here. Love you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye.